Chat, just go take a nap in the corner. Go. This game is amazing, this idle game, because it's just a programming playhouse. You can program the game to do anything. What I realized is that you can program the game to play itself. So, I'm making a script right now to play the game to play itself. Very, very wild. I just wanted to show you all. We have a new member to the stream. It's not actually a chat or anything. It's just a person on the screen that you see. Yep. That's right. We're doing something boring today. Not boring, but it's gonna be, you know, fun for me and maybe not fun for you. This is Bitburner. If you don't know Bitburner, it is an idle game, very similar to Cookie Clicker and stuff. But the difference is that you don't click, you program. Like, you actually program. It's fucking nuts. Okay. Now, last time I talked about this. Oh, also this is Chat. This is Chat. Like her name is actually Chat. Say hi to Chat. Yes, this is you. This is the personification of you guys. Although I do need to change her settings to make her do stuff more, cause she is weird. How do I make it do stuff more? How do I make you just like walk around? Computation cycle. Calculate computations every, I don't know, 5 seconds. Interaction cycles. Proactively engage in interaction. 13.18 per minute. Desktop pet name Chat. There we go. I still can't do the music volume. And I don't know why, because it's not recognizing any kind of music whatsoever. But this is Chat, okay? This entire idle game is based around programming your way into beating the game. And you can program in just JavaScript. It's actually fucking genius. I showed this last time, and I got really hooked on it to the point where I was making a script to basically play the game by itself, okay? So while I do that, you're gonna be learning. Maybe do some research. Here. You don't have enough level. What? I don't have a level? What do you mean? I don't know, delete error. What? What do you mean unable to delete error? Learn. Can you stay there and learn, okay? You stay there and learn as we do scripting, okay? Now, the crazy part about this game, again, that I kind of allude to, which I can't see because you're in the way, Chat. Get over here. You stay right here. Go on your desk. You're good. Is that you can program anything, okay? You can use just plain old JavaScript and program anything. So I'm in the middle of making a script that is going to play the game automatically. Don't mind the code, it's absolutely garbage, and I went too crazy on it. But the entire point is that as I level up and as I play the game, we will eventually, the game will eventually play itself as long as I keep it on, okay? And we're gonna take part, obviously, in like the actual active things, because I found out that there are raids in this game. There are like actual PvP like quests in this game. Not PvE, but there's PvE like hacking quests in this game, okay? We're gonna do a bunch of this, okay? Wait, I can travel? What? Item. Ishima. New Tokyo. What? Why is Ishima here and why is New Tokyo there? Chongqing, and then Valhaven. Where am I now? What? Wait, I'm in Sector 12. That sounds awful. Why the different... Okay, well, I didn't know that there were more levels. Now, you're gonna be here as I program this. Again, today was gonna be a much slower day anyways. Then we'll move on to some more fun stuff later. But I was gonna do this last night, but again, you have to look at... Okay, look, there's a lot of VODs. There's a lot of VODs. There's a lot of VODs that I need to get up. Look, a shit ton. And this is only a fraction. Get off the wall! What are you doing? Go back to class! What are you doing? Oh my god. Chat, what's wrong with you? Why would you put your desk up there? What? Down. Down. Stay down. Stay over here. Stop. God damn it, chat. Chat, listen, you guys gotta calm down, okay? No more crawling on the walls, right? But yeah, because I was doing all the VOD stuff, and there was so many VODs that I had to like fix up because of all these different issues on YouTube, I couldn't get to actually making the script. So now you get to be here with me as we do it. Again, this is actually a game. And the crazy part about this game is that, again, you can do anything. So it's for context, this is the main function of the script. So I'll run down the like structure, okay? Everything starts here, okay? When the game starts and you run your script, which you can just run from the terminal by typing like run allmight.js, right? And All Might is not a reference to... All Might is definitely not a reference to a specific anime. It's definitely not. I just like the idea of that name, even though I've never seen that anime, and I think it's... I don't know. Like, it's just a funny name. Everything starts here, okay? You can use this NS thing to interface with the rest of the game, to the point where you can even make custom UI. I'm not even kidding you. You can make custom UI in this game. I showed it last time, but some guy basically made an entire different like game inside of this game, which seems insane to me if you think about it, right? Realistically, you could probably make a game inside of this game, and then like you could have a gameception, right? You could play this game inside of this game and keep playing this game inside of this game. There's nothing stopping you from like doing that. The problem is just that at some points you would go insane trying to figure out and like understand what is happening. From here, we go into the main function that I'm trying to make work, okay? It's the implant function. I named it implant because I couldn't think of a... Listen, it was 5 a.m. Wait, it was 5 a.m. when I started this. I couldn't think of a better name, okay? Let me drink some coffee so I can actually go through this. This is a lot. Wait, we need more like cool hacking music, right? What's like a copyright-free hacking music? Copyright-free hacking music. That's a search term. Yeah, that's a good search term. Copyright-free hacking music. What is like what would this even entail? What would this even entail as like hacking music? What would this sound like? Programming, coding, hacking music. What? Programming? Ah, what the fuck is this? Programming, coding, hacking music. Without vocals and high tones. Short terms. Hello, dear friends. I'm glad this is getting better with Patreon and YouTube Array so I can start making more mixes again. Okay, well, if you're making mixes, I'm assuming... Wait, download MP3s. Available only for patrons. Wait, what? One of my most badass mixes. What? Your most badass... Support the channel by sending me Bitcoin. Dude, that's fucking nuts. That's fucking nuts. But okay, this is the perfect fit for this, right? It just makes sense. It just makes sense. Again, the whole point of this game, the setting is based in like Cyberpunk. Here. You're gonna hear the music. Roughly now, okay? Yeah. Welcome to... Well, now it's time for us to get some... Wait, actually, no. This probably is like... copyright though, technically. I mean, I need like copyright-free hacking music. The problem is that like that's such a weird like search term to like even try to find. Gym TV, anonymous headquarters, anonymous headquarters. What in God's name is this? Where? How would you even find this? Don't. I swear to God, stay on screen. If you move off screen again, you're in trouble. You're in trouble, chat. You're in trouble. Oh, I know what's a good soundtrack to play. Wait, System Shock 2 10 hour. 10 hour loop. 10 hour loop. I don't know. System Shock. Ambience crew quarters. What? Wait, somebody just recorded this for like 1 hour. There's just a scene inside the game. Ambience in the crew quarters for 1 hour. Okay, but that's like the perfect thing. Okay, look. What was I talking about? So we go inside this function, okay? We're calling a function here. And inside here is where we do everything. We scan all the servers that we can find. And for every single server, we prepare a bunch of steps that we need to do. Asia, Africa, South America, Europe, Australia, and the Pacific. Why are you bothering me? Go over here. Go to your corner. Stop it. Why did you say that? Why did you say that like it was a... Why did you say that like it was a sleeper... Like a sleeper agent activation keyword? What's wrong with you? And the point is that... it's going to do a number of steps so that we can open up each server, copy over a hacking script, so we get infinite money and experience. And over time, I need to make that now a new function where over time, as we level up, it'll constantly check and say, okay, once we're at a certain level, let's recheck every server that we've been to, and let's try and actually and then let's like try and gain access to those servers in order to go inside, okay? So first, there's a couple things I need to do. One, if I'm gonna make this to like slowly update this script, which I mean, maybe I should just try it first, right? Run scripts threaded, what's this? What's the point of this? Why'd I make this? What? Promises, do implants. Uh-huh. Yeah! Okay, why did I do that? So get functions for server, scan server, recursive. Why did I make this recursive? Drink! Keep drinking. Not happy enough. What are you doing? Go back to learning. Stop. Get off the floor. Go. Whatever. Stop. Get back to learning now. The PE teacher was sick again. Okay, chat, why are you guys saying these things? Stop it. What's wrong with you? Run scripts. Oh, yes. This is actually runs like scripts, okay? The first thing that we're going to do is make it so that it actually runs the script. So, in this game, to hack a server, you have a couple things, right? That you have to do. First, you need to find the servers themselves, okay? You start always in your home server, which is just called home, right? Then you scan all related servers. So, for instance, you can actually do this now. I can do scan analyze. And these are the servers that are closest to me. And I can even scan further down as well to be like, okay, what servers are connected to what other servers, right? What I have is going to recursively go through and find which servers I can actually access, and it's going to get me all the details of like each like server, right? Very, very nice. So that's what the first thing that we do is we scan every single server and we figure out all of its stats, okay? Because you may notice there's different skill required to go into each one. There's a different thing that we may need to do, a port that we need to open to like be able to go inside, and there's a different. Each server is capable of like different amounts of like work, right? Like my server sucks, but Noodles is even worse. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM, but max hardware, this thing is 32 gigabytes of RAM. But I'm too shit at hacking to go inside. My hacking skill is 15. I should go get a job actually. Where should I go for like a job? This soundtrack is like bothering me actually now. What is a good hacking theme game music? Deus Ex soundtrack. Yeah, 10 hours. You Natco theme for 10 hours. I mean, yeah, fuck it. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that's fine. It's perfect. This fits the mood. Perfect. I need to get a job. Where should I work? Should I work? Can I work at the CIA? What the fuck? You need to be 250 hacking to work at the CIA? Holy shit! Dude, no wonder I get ejected every time. God damn it! Jesus Christ! Wait, you gotta do. Okay, whatever. What if we don't? What if we go to the gym? It costs money to train your. This is. What is 4 Sigma? That sounds like JO crystals. The slums. What's in the slums? Shoplift? Rob store. What? Mug. Why would I want to mug someone? What's this do? Wait, why is this? Gains on success. You get strength EXP. Heist. Gains on success. I get charisma. Success chance 11%. Holy shit. Wait, but if I fail, what's the consequence? If I don't go to jail if I fail, listen. If you want money, if you want a stable job, rob banks, right? It's only bad if they catch you, so all you have to do is not be caught, okay? We're gonna leave this to rob a bank. If I'm successful, I go up like 200 levels. If I'm not successful, I'm pretty sure my character dies. What am I doing again? Yes, we're gonna do this, okay? So we found the servers, we have all the stats and what we need to do. Now we need to figure out all the steps that you need to actually get inside, okay? So you need to figure out how you're gonna get, how you're gonna break open the like server, right? For you to actually be able to like use it as your own. Well, you need to nuke it. When you nuke it, you gain root access to it, right? To do these. What did I even type that for? What does that even mean? When you nuke it, you gain root access. Then you can copy over your script for your hacking script, which is not this one. Then you can actually run the script on that server, and it'll start making you money. Okay? You can calculate how much memory that script needs. Oh God, wait. Maybe I do need this. Wait. So maybe I should do. Wait. So why did I do this? So there's a couple things that we need to do. 1, I need to figure out what this means. I don't know what this means. 2, we need to figure out how to finish this thing. We need to finish the thing that lets us actually run the scripts. 3, I need to make this thing actually pull so that I can, as I update my skills from robbing a bank, what I can do is if I successfully rob the bank and I go up 200 hacking levels, it'll find more servers for me to hack and do more steps for them. This list of steps that I have to do is more manual. You have to figure this out on my own. Then I have to encode it into a set of steps. But for the most part, the scanning stuff is automatic. Oh, 4. Also, I need to have better logs. Right now, the logs for the script basically say nothing, and I actually don't know if this works. I've only run this once, and it just kept going, and I don't know what it did. So we're gonna try this. What I say is 1. 1 is this. What does this mean? Why did I write this? You know what's funny is that being a programmer, the the thing that we tell new programmers every time is that you have to think of you programming and your comments as you talking to your future self, right? So the stick of yesterday wrote to do these, and the stick of today, me, is saying, what the fuck does these mean? So you see the difference in like comments, right? To do, update this with more checks about the programs we need to crack the server. It might scale with number, and then I can infer a number being number of ports. The stick of yesterday really loved the stick of today. The stick of yesterday really hated the stick of today. With this, I don't know why I wrote that. Even this, look, this is a great comment. To do, stab hole that then automatically causes server rescans that then further hack into. That's a very good comment, right? Yes, I should do this. Or even this, look, oh, return name of server plus how many scripts we're running each server. Maybe each prepared function returns a string detailing what it did for the logs, right? What a great to do, right? And then you have this, to do these. I don't even know what that means. Why do they have this? What? To do these? What? What? What does that mean? Wait, what does this actually mean? What? Why did I write this? What does that mean? What? Oh, also, this actually didn't like work. I did not do this. This didn't actually work. Same parameters as nuke. So what I tried to do here was use a basically I was trying to use something from another super language. It's weird. I don't know how to describe this. There's JavaScript, and then there's the people who don't like using JavaScript, okay? The people who don't like using JavaScript said, we can do this, but better. So they made a language called TypeScript, okay? When they made this language called TypeScript, they were like, okay, this is a lot better, because now you know what you're doing. Because you hover over this, you see how it just says array? This is a symbol for an array, which is just a construct that like holds a bunch of values, right? You have no idea what's supposed to be inside this. No clue. But doing something like this would tell me, oh, you need the exact parameters of the nuke function, right? The problem is that this only works in TypeScript, but this is JavaScript. But sometimes some things in TypeScript work in JavaScript if you do it inside certain comments in a very specific way, like this, but this didn't work. Snacks are always better given by the master, and I want some. Are you hungry? You're not even hungry. You have 70, just keep studying, go. Stop. Doodling in an art textbook, stop it. How can I slap you? How do I slap you? How do I slap you? How do I slap chat? I need to know how to slap chat. But yeah, basically that's why this like didn't work. I think maybe the to do was meant for this. But then why would I do it like this? So for context, this is what's called an anonymous function. It's a closure, but the industry term, well, not the industry term, the entire field, computer science, calls it like an anonymous function. You just make it and it doesn't have a name. You just use it whatever it's bound to. In this case, the thing is called function. The problem is that this form doesn't just call this. It can call more things, right? It's unlike this where you just call like the copy thing. This instead does a bunch of other weird things, but I don't know what it does. Why did I do this? Why did I do this? I need to go back to the documentation. Business guide. Oh yeah. What are the steps for you to get onto a server? What are the steps for getting onto a server? Let's see. Because this game is weird. So you copy it over, you run the nuke, then you run the thing. So why did I even do it like that? Maybe I was wrong. Chat. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe this entire time I was wrong, and there was no need for me to do this. In which case, we can just undo all of these, and we can just forget about all of this. And then I can just do this instead. Because I don't know what these are. I really don't know. In which case, I can do something like this now. So I go like this now. I just go like that, and then I just pass over the like, name, and we just nuke it. So we nuke it, we then copy the file on. If it doesn't exist on the server, we copy the file over. Then we run the script itself. Shit. Wait, I need a script name. We'll script name. There we go. And then internal the server. And again, I know it's weird seeing this, everything being in this one object, but this game is weird. If you define any function in this file, it can become global if you export it, which I would need to do eventually to use elsewhere in like other portions of my scripts, right? Because there's gonna be, this is the script that starts all the hacking, and then there's the script that actually does the hacking. And I need some of these things in both scripts. So if I just export them, it's just there. It pollutes the it looks bad, okay? So all I'm saying is it looks bad. Look, you have to care about aesthetics on some level. This is all for a game, by the way. This is all for a game where I'm trying to hack into a bank. I'm only at 76%. The core of politics is political power, and the issue of state power is the fundamental issue of politics. What? What are you talking about, chat? What are you talking about? What? Why? Oh my god. What class? What the? Chat, you have advanced. You advance from your pea-brain selves into whatever you are today, talking about politics and the power of politics and the issue, the core issue of politics. I don't know how you did it. I don't know why we're here, but you have done it indeed. Now we need to actually run the scripts. There's a specific way to run the scripts, which I think is this. Yes. You can do this, and you can be like, oh, you know, script name. This takes in two things. It takes the name of the script, and it takes the server that you want to run it on. So for instance, I want to run it on this server with this name, right? This server with this particular name. The thing that you have to be mindful of, though, is that even if you run it on this server with this particular name, you may notice that there's an option here, thread or options, which is how many of the scripts do you want to run at once? 32 gigabytes of RAM on a server is a lot. If your script takes 500 megabytes of RAM to run, you can run that script 64 times. It's basic math, okay? But to do that, you need to know how much memory your script will actually take. So you need to do this instead. Get script memory or something. Script memory? Script RAM. Get script RAM. There we go. So, no, get script RAM. There we go, yeah. So you get the cost of how much RAM it'll cost to run your script. Then you can do that, and you take the total RAM on that server, the available RAM, and you cut that in like half, and you divide it, and you like do the, it's not division, it's technically modulo. It's modulo because modulo gets rid, I think modulo gets rid of the thing, right? Gets rid of the remainder. No, it gives you the remainder. Modulo gives you the remainder. No, so you do divide, but you floor it. You always floor it. Yeah. So you divide, but you always floor it. Yeah, so basically, how much will it cost to run this script on this server? And then we take the cost of this, right? So I don't know, RAM cost. And again, you wouldn't. I use this naming scheme because I've been in C++ land for like a while. Realistically, everyone in like JavaScript does like this, like camel case. Like this is a camel, and then this I don't know, it's weird. I don't know, fuck it, style, whatever. People have different styles, whatever. Then you get the available RAM, and it's like, you know, threads. Well, actually, there's probably a reserved name somewhere. I don't know. We'll do RAM server dot available RAM divided by RAM cost, and we need to floor this. So when you floor a number, you get rid of the remainder entirely. So if it's 4.8, it goes down to 4. If it's 4.1, it goes down to 4. You will never go over. You will never, you know, be, because you can't just use like a portion of like a script. You have to run the entire thing, right? So we do with that. And do what was it not math floor. Yeah. Which is greatest integer less than or equal to its numeric argument. There we go. You do this, and then we run this by the number of threads. This actually should just work, actually. So that should just work. The thing is that I don't know if it'll work, but like, because we just have to run it. Basically, you just have to run this and see if it works. And if it doesn't work, then the entire thing crashes, okay? So 50-50 that my game crashes here. So now we just do, we don't even have the like hacking script. Fuck. I didn't make, because this is the script to actually get the hacking stuff. This is the script to start the hacking program on the server, but I haven't made the actual hacking script itself. Now, this is where I go to the documentation, because this is where the game's mechanics come into play. There's a specific mechanic. Here we go. This is the mechanic. You have to grow and weaken the like target, which is weird. It's like strange. I don't know why it like does this, but you basically every server has a security level, and every server has Stop. You don't get snacks. No, you don't get snacks. Stretch. No. Go stretch. Do your thing. But every server has a security level that you have to go through. And as that security level rises or gets lower, it gets harder and harder to hack the server. However, you have to grow the server's security level in order for them to have more money, because they won't put money into the server if it's a weak server, because they won't trust it, right? But you can weaken it after to then steal money. God, this is all very confusing. But that's basically it. That's basically it. But it's just weird because this is the part where the game gets out of normal programming and gets more into the actual gameplay. It's why I'm copy pasting the entire code. A classic move for any programmer. Any programmer will know this is a classic move to do, okay? You can't even say otherwise. We all do it. But now we know. Oh, God. What? Money thrush? Okay, fine. Money thrush. So how much the server should have before hack it, which is the maximum amount of money on that server allowed. We don't need to nuke it. At this point, we've nuked it. We've gained access to the server. There's no need to do any of that. We just need to run this infinitely until the server gives us more and more money forever. And target, what in the world is target? What? Target? No. How do I get the current server's name? Wait, how do I get the current server's name? Oh shit. Wait, how do you get the current server's name? Get server. Oh shit. Wait, defaults to the running script server if host is not specified. Okay, good. So I can just do this. Okay. So actually, what is this? Do this. We can destructure it, get the name of the server, and then we do this. So we get the name of the server, which is just a string, and we say, wait, but you can't do that. You can't do that? Really? It doesn't work. What? What do you mean? What? Wait. Server.name. Huh? What do you mean? What? What is all this? Hostname has admin rights. HTTP port open. What? What is this? What? What is this? Whether or not the HTTP... What? Okay, well, hostname. It's technically hostname. We'll just keep it as like hostname then. Fuck it. I guess technically it's correct. Technically. Oh god, my keyboard is so bad now. Like I don't remember any hotkey to like do this anymore. Instead of target, we'll do hostname. Oh yeah! Wait, I actually stole the bank. Look, it actually worked. I actually stole money from the bank. Now I'm level 18 inside hacking. I have 6 strength, 6 dexterity, 6 agility. Good job, chat. Hello, I am Jaus. Who is Jaus? What? Who's Jaus? A mouth-controlled USB joystick. What in God's name is that? A mouth-controlled USB joystick. I don't know why you know that, chat, but that's weird. It's very weird. Host is string. Is that optional? No. Is it optional? No, that's not optional. Okay, so we do it like that. Is this optional? No. Wait, what? Growth options? What's this? Once the growth is complete after this addition, the thread count is also used to a multiplier, which then the server thing the multiplier scales with the thread count basic depends on the facility level. Web server growth, blah blah blah. Go command provides root access, but there's no required hacking level to run. The command also raises the security level based on the link. The security level can be increased by using link growth analyze security. What? The growth? Wait, the security level can be increased. The security increase can be determined. So how much it would grow? Oh, how much it would grow, and then you would weaken it after to get it lower, and then you would hack the target to get the money. Yeah. Okay. Cool. And then you just do that. Okay. Well, fuck it. Well, then I don't need any of those options actually. So it's fine. So this is the script that's gonna be run on the server. That's all to say that this is the thing that is gonna be run on each and every server. Now, again, I just copy paste this because this is the actual game mechanics. Like, the game actually just is the game expects you to like do this to get money in the game to then spend. Even though I have $3 million, which by the way is like if I even got $1 million, I would be retired by now. I would be streaming 24/7 just for fun. It'd be so fucking fun, right? Instead, my character with $3 million simply wants more. What are we doing? Oh yeah, we're doing all this to do this. Yeah. I know what I'm doing, chat. Chat, I know what I'm doing. Now we run the script. Okay, so let's just run it. I don't know. What if my computer crashes? I just want you to know it's because of this. You forgot to await a promise. Maybe hack, grow, weaken. Fuck. Wait, what? Maybe hack, grow, weaken. What? Runtime error. NSScan is not a function. What do you mean it's not a function? What? What do you mean it's not a function? It is a function. Don't give me that shit. It is a function. It's literally there. What do you mean? NSScan. It's right there. Huh? Yeah, get a list of all servers connected to a server. Okay, well now, this is all programming. 10% of programming is writing the code. 50%? No. 10% of programming is writing the code. 20% is planning the code. 70% is debugging the code because you're not as good as you think you are. Fuck. God damn. Okay, let's figure out what the hell happened. I don't know. What is this? What do you mean PID 2? What do you mean? Is it running? It's not running. So what's wrong with it? Yeah, I implanted. I then go into scan server recursive. NSScan is not a function. Huh? What do you mean? What? How's it not a function? At line 63, okay? At line 63. How is this not a function? This is definitely a function. Unless I didn't pass it down. I didn't pass it down somewhere. I didn't pass it down. Oh, fuck. I'm so stupid. Here. I didn't pass it down here. There we go. I didn't pass it down. That's why. Now, scan, server, recursive. Yeah, okay. There we go. I just didn't pass it down. See? That's why you need an IDE, which is an integrated development environment, a code editor that points out errors for you. Because any good code editor, like VS Code or something, would have told me, hey, you forgot to pass this down, dumbass. Instead, it just failed. Fuck. You mean server script name is not defined. What do you mean? Get functions for server, line 112. I don't know. Get, oh, it's right here. Server script name is not defined. Oh, oops. That's why. I need to do that because it's under like a namespace. Okay. Now we run this for real. What? What do you mean home server name isn't defined? God damn. Line 117. Oh, because I gotta do this. Yeah. Okay. Well, a server script name. And then a home server name. Is any? Aha. There we go. Home server name. Okay. Now we're good. Now we're good. Now we're gonna run the program, okay? I'm a hacker. I'm a top tier hacker. I work for the clandestine government. God damn it, maximum call stack exceeded. I knew this would happen. Fuck. I knew this would happen. Shit. Yeah, I knew that's what happened. Okay, well, that's a problem. So basically, how do I explain this? You know how I tried to make... Okay, let me explain what's happened, okay? I made a recursive function called scan server recursive. The recursive function is in this form, okay? Imagine you have something that is like function do something. You know, param A, or like, I don't know, X, Y, right? When it does something, okay, it may do something here, and then it calls itself again, right? It'll call itself again from inside of it, X, Y. But if you do it like this, it'll run forever. So you usually do some condition. So you might say, if X is greater than 3, then you do, you know, X, then you call it, then it calls itself again. This is a recursive function, right? This is a good recursive function because it has an upper bound of 3, okay? The problem is that every time you do this, the way computers work is it makes it like a frame. It builds a frame of anything that's like happening. So, you know, inside here you may have called do something, right? Then it like does all of its like code. It does the if check. Then it might say okay. Then it might say okay, well that succeeded, so let's do something again, and so on and so on. And it keeps on opening these like frames, right? The problem is that most computers can only have this so many times before it gets crazy, right? A recursive function that like runs forever will eventually die out. This, JavaScript has a limit of 65,000 times this can be run, which I don't know why it ran 65,000 times. Why did it run 65,000 times? But it ran 65,000 times and so it died. Why did it run 65,000 times? What? That doesn't make any sense. Why did I run? Wait, what? How does it work? Wait. Scan analyze. If I do scan analyze here, and I connect to noodles, and then I scan at. Please don't tell me that's how it works. Does it show? It shows me home. Fuck. That's why I was going back and forth because when I scan. Okay, so I see the problem is when you're at your home server, right? You scan and you find the noodle server. So you go into the noodle server and you're like, okay, scan all the servers connected to noodles. You know what's a server? You know what server is connected to the noodle server? Home. So you then scan home, which has the noodle server, which then has the home server, which then you scan. You keep going back and forth. It's the exact scenario that I said because I didn't know that's how it works. Thankfully, there's a very easy solution. You cache it. You simply cache it and you say these are the servers that you've been to. Okay, so these are the servers that you visited, basically, right? And you might say, oh, now we visited servers equals the current one. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Wait. Just let me think about this. Because the problem is that this is not a regular function. This is a generator. When you make a generator, it stops execution here, gives you the result, and then it keeps on going. But I don't know what happens if you change the parameters. I don't think it's reflected on the points of continued execution. Theoretically, you just stop. Theoretically, it just stops here, makes a copy of the current parameters, and doesn't ever change it. So even if I do it outside, the cache has to be inside here. So I have to keep passing the cache along. And I have to keep on doing it to get to the point where I can actually do something about it. That way I know which servers I've visited. So visited servers. And this should just be an empty array. Like so. And then it's what? No. That's not it. It's not a functor. Sorry, visited servers. So these are the servers that we visited. So we know for sure that we've already been there. There's no need for us to go back and visit them again. So an array containing servers we've already visited and scanned, so we don't blow the system up. Because the system will blow up. Okay, so now we do that. Okay, so but the problem is that it actually, because it needs to be there so that I can do it like this. And so it's now we do, okay, so we do, if the thing isn't the home server name, if it is the home server name, then I guess we just return, actually. Wait, so what would we do if it's the home server name? No, okay, if we look at it from the thing, if it's a home server name, if it's not the home server name, we return the stats of it. And then down here, we filter this list. Oh, I'm a fucking genius, dog. There we go, okay, good. That filter. So we basically say, okay, any server that we've already visited, we don't ever visit again. So we now filter it. So we might say, what does it even return? What? It returns a string of host names. It's a list of servers because it returns an array containing the host names of all servers of the one node. Well, then I should just do this like a string. An array containing host names we've already visited. There we go. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, containing host names. Yeah, fine. Host name, and then it's host name, and it's visit servers as long as we haven't visited the server ever. So as long as this doesn't contain host name. Why can't I do this? Contain. I swear to God that's a function. No, wait, JS array has includes. Why is it called includes? Why would you name it includes? What? Why just contain? I don't know. Contain is a good name. What the? Okay, so now we only visit the servers that we haven't been to, ever. Okay, which is good. So now the visit servers, when it starts out, is going to be the home server. So we might do okay, and then we say okay, well, if it's not this, we filter this, we do this, and then we also include the current server within it itself as well. So if we do, wait, no. Yes, we include the current server in it afterwards as well. So when we pass along this list, we'll do, you know, the current visited servers and the current server that we're currently visiting right now. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. All right, that's fine. Yeah, okay. This should run now. Yeah. It'll run. It'll run, trust me. Guys, I'm a genius. Oh, wait, I'm on the wrong server. Wait, sorry, home. Oh my god, it actually worked. Holy shit. Now, the thing is that my script doesn't run forever on my server. It should have connected to Noodles and it should have ran something there. Oh, sorry. Connect Noodles. So now if we're here. Okay, well, it didn't do anything. It didn't do anything. I don't know. It didn't do anything. It died 18 seconds ago. What did you do? Script finished running. Huh? What does that mean? What does that mean, script finished running? What? Oh! Oh! Yes! That's what I forgot to do. Yes! That would be bad, because otherwise it just runs. We don't know what happens. Okay, so now we go back home. Okay, stop home. We run this again. Okay? Is there any logs? Are there any logs for this thing? Fuck, that's why I had the other to do. I had the to do to add logging. Fuck, okay, well now we gotta figure out logging. How do you add logging to this? I don't know. How do you log stuff? Log. How do you log? Learn to program. Learn to program. You have loads of the programming experience, that's okay. You don't need to be a great programmer in order to enjoy and play this game. In fact, this game could help you learn some basic. This game will not help you learn stuff. The following session is experience have not worked since with JavaScript. Before that, it's important to clarify some terminology. ECMA script, is that ES6? Yep, was ES6. Fuck, this thing makes me sleepy. Holy fuck. Okay, now I need to know. Okay, now I know I need to log stuff. Shit. Oh, yes, I remember. Now, that's what to do these means. That's what to do these means. I remember now. I see the signs. Ooh, ooh, I see the signs. Ooh, ooh. That's what this is. Because now we can log it. So how do you log things? UI.log. How do you log things? Wait, how do you log things in this game? I don't know. Bitburner, how to log. Log. Use console.log is just not a variable for script. Wait, what? Writes to the browser's console. How to log with NS2. Yeah, how do you log with NS2? What? Enable log? What does that even mean? What? With logging, for name a function for which to enable logging. What? Name a function. What? What do you mean name a function to enable logging? What? Holy hell. Okay, basically anytime a hack, he sends a simple object over port 1 with the... What the fuck? Somebody made this. They made a network listener. Holy... They made a network listener that shows them their real-time money income from their hacking. How the fuck did you do this? How do people do this shit, dude? What the fuck? That's insane. Holy shit. And they formatted the entire table to look nice. That's impressive. That's actually very, very impressive. Wow. This is a real-time update. A real-time update of what's happening no matter where you are into a centralized system using sockets and like ports, like an internal network that is a fake simulated network inside the game. That's fucking nuts. Holy shit, how do people make this? Wow. Okay, now we need to figure out how to... But I don't care about that. How do you actually log in this game? Thank you forums. Okay. Thank you forums. I don't know. Nuked server. Nuke.exe ran with. What? You can't use template strings? What do you mean? What do you mean you can't use template strings? What? Oh well, I guess because you can't spread it. Sorry. Good thing parameters. There we go. So we do that. Whatever. We'll do it like this. And then we'll do like, I don't know, what other logging things. We need to log a log. We need to make a bunch of logs so it actually know what like happens. These don't need to return a string then, ever. These don't need to return a string. These can just do whatever it does. They don't return strings. It's just a regular function that doesn't return anything. It's just a function. And the JS doc, yeah, generics is only internal to Google. I don't know why Google has everything internal to like it. I don't know why Google never shares anything cool. It's actually weird to like look at. If you look at like how different giant organizations do programming, they build a lot of things. Okay, there was a big kerfuffle, I would say, in the Firefox development team about a proposal to make a thing that basically makes it so you can't run extensions on Firefox that aren't just regular extensions on Google. So you can't do things like AdBlock anymore, or some security extensions, right? The thing that's funny is that the people who like push that, all the authors of that change were from Google. Every single person was from Google, and so it made me realize that like Google AL, they push a lot of different changes because they're basically a giant monopoly. They push these changes to like everybody, and everybody just has to deal with it. Some of it is like good. Like web GPU, where you get to actually play games using your actual graphics card on the web, or you get crypto mines. It's really a 50-50, right? It's either you get crypto mines, or you get to play really cool 3D games, or you have to deal with stuff like this, where you know there's a thing in this thing that only exists at Google. And it's only internal to Google, even though it's a public tool that anyone can like, use. They just haven't bothered to like tell anyone. Learn completed, accumulate 1100 experience. Okay, but who told you to stop though? What's wrong? You're fine. Oh shit, you're thirsty. Okay, do you want to drink? What would you like to drink? I don't know. How much money do we have? I can't see them. We have $77. Okay, which one do you want to buy? Go buy it. You can look. You can buy things on your own. Balance is less than 100. God damn, you can't buy anything. I should have put you to like work. Here, have some Coca-Cola. Is that good? Like that? Maybe some more Coca-Cola. Wait, do you want some more Coca-Cola? I love Coca-Cola. Yum. Thanks for the Coca-Cola. Yay. Now you're hungry. So you're hungry. Okay, good. You want to eat? Yo, you get spicy. You want spicy chicken for $52. Alright, you're so happy, right? Well, guess what? We're fucking broke. We have $7. It's time for you to go to work, chat. Go to work. You need to make money so that I can buy you more food. Have fun working. Imagine thinking that the food is free. Everybody pays here. Everybody. What was it doing? Oh yeah, trying to figure out why this thing doesn't run by putting logs over. Yeah, by putting logs over. Yeah. Wait, I'm a genius. Why don't you just do it like this instead of having this like stupid thing like this? We just instead of doing that, we just do property string log a message to be printed to the script log. Yeah, on success. So like, you know what I mean? So now instead of doing this, I can just do this. I can just do this. I can just do this, and then this can go down here instead. But then the problem is that I don't have the arguments, so I mean, I guess it's fine. I can just do stuff like this. Whatever. It's whatever. This is awful, but it's whatever. Whatever. It's fine. Ran against server.name. There we go. It's good. And then we gotta go up here. Again, this is like a shitty way of doing it, but I wanted to do it this way because I wanted it, because like the game expects you to run things in a very specific order, and so if you don't run it in that specific order, it doesn't work. So the reason why I had to do it like this and why it looks so shitty, because you wouldn't do this. You wouldn't delay a function call until later, but because the way the game works, you have to do it like this to make it work. So I had to implement like a shitty event queue. This is a basic shitty event queue to make things work, basically. I mean, that's basically what it is. Basically, my code sucks, and I know. Copied script. Internal.service script name. Over to what? Over to server with host name. Wait, against, server with host name, against the server with host name, and then server.name. There we go. We'll do it like that. There we go. And then we do this. Then we actually run the script. So this is where we do all the crazy stuff. Although this, I think, needs to... This is where I have some control over the logging, so I can do it myself. So this is like, string or undefined. Yeah, so it can be either there or it's undefined. If it's undefined, then we don't do anything. But this is where I can do it from here. Because then I can just do it from here. It's a lot easier. So you can be like, ns.print determining script cost on determining cost to run script name on target server with host name. Oh god, this is a disaster. Jesus Christ. Okay, so just like this. Do it like that, and then we go boom, and then it's like cost is RAM cost RAM. And then now we do like this. So now we determine, and then we can do like, we can run X amount of threads. Can execute, we do threads, well, I don't know, threads of script. I don't know, whatever. There we go. And ns.print, just so I know what happened, because I don't know why it failed. Executing script. You were attempting to heist. I thought it said I was arrested. I was like, holy shit, I'm already arrested. I just started the game. On server with host name. Server.name. What the fuck is this? Message received from unknown sender. I know you can sense it. I know you're searching for it. It's why you spend 9 of the night on your computer. It's real. I've seen it. Now I can help you find it, but not right now. You're not ready yet. Use this program to track your progress. The flight.x program was added to your home computer. Jumper. What? Who sent this to me? Chat, did you send this to me? Who sent this to me? Who sent this to me? Who sent this to me? What? What a weird fucking game. What a great game. Oh wait, auto link. Hey, cool, okay. What a weird game. Oh my god, that is like terrifying. Kill all running scripts. Yeah. Uh-oh, what happened? Okay, that was weird. The entire game like broke. Okay, well we have flights.x. I don't know why. Why do we have flight.x? No. ls run flight.x. We need $100 billion for what? Why do we need $100 billion? And why did they send me that weird cryptic message? That was scary. What? J-O? What do you mean J-O? Like a jack-off crystal? Like a jerk-off crystal. What do you mean? MV crystals. MVJO.message. Wait, is it even like an MV? There it is, yeah. JO.message into crystals. Into JO crystals /JO.msg. Ah, damn it! You can't move a message. Wait, so what's this? The beginner's guide to hacking. Silent hacking is the most proper way to earn money in progress. Hack grow because whack grow because therefore you should try to increase the money using the keep security level low and visit the service. Thanks for your useless thing. Thanks for scaring the fuck out of me. Well, Chief, thanks for losing my script, dog. Gee, thanks, dog. I really appreciate that, dog. I lost everything, man. What was I even doing? Fuck, I forgot what I was doing. God damn it. Why did they hijack me just to tell me about the JO crystals? What's wrong with you? I don't need to know. I don't need to know about the JO crystals. I know about them. I'm a programmer. I wear the socks. I wear the programming socks. What am I doing again? Oh yeah. No wait, no. I don't know. What am I doing again? I guess I just run this, right? Yeah, okay, let's just run this and see what happened. Wait. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so now we go into scripts. Let's see what the logs said. Nothing. The logs say nothing. The logs say nothing. Why do the logs say nothing? I need more logs. I need a lot more logs. Guys, we gotta drop some fat, meaty logs. We're gonna drop some huge logs up in here. Because I don't know what the hell is going on. Oh! Yeah, that would explain a lot. I mean, it still stops at the scan. I don't know why it stops at scan, okay? So wait, what? I'm so stupid. Basically, filter works the opposite way. If your filter function returns true, so basically what I was saying was, if any of these servers that I'm scanning matches anything in this list, then keep it inside this resulting array. I basically said throw everything away, and this should now keep everything. Wow. Yeah, there we go. Okay, well, good thing we did that. Okay. ns.print. I mean, technically this has a printf, but like I'm assuming the printf isn't saying no, so let's not even bother. Yeah, why would you even use printf if you have this? I don't know. Like, you have template strings. It's a lot easier. I don't know. What do I want to do? Scanning for servers connected to server with host name. And then ns.print found Can you please get off the walls? I can't focus with you climbing on the walls. What? Chat, what are you doing? Why are you there? Chat, oh my god. I'm thinking. I know I'm quiet, and I know I'm not entertaining you, okay? But I'm thinking. I need to make $200 billion. What do you expect me to do, okay? This money doesn't come free, okay, chat? Jesus Christ. I'm gonna move you if you don't move yourself. Found servers. Excluding already visited servers. And then this will just print the entire array, but that's fine. It looks weird, but it was ns.print providing server stats. Let me do stats. There we go. And then we do ns.print. Let's see. Beginning recursives. Oh my god, where are we now? Beginning. Making good logs is hard. It's just writing. It's language. I don't know. Beginning recursive scan for connected servers. Starting from Beginning scan, recursive scan for servers. But whatever. And then this will run it, and then it'll do that, and then it'll like send the name over. Okay, now you have to move. Chat, get in there. Sir. No, you're too far down. Go. Okay, keep on. Once upon a time, there was a mountain. There was a temple in the mountain. Okay, you want to finish that? That's the story? No. Brute SSH program name is not defined. God damn it. Brute SSH. Because why it has to be internal. Oh my god. Args is not defined. What? Line 113. What do you mean it's not defined? What? Oh, oops, sorry. Okay, so now it ran. It ran and it did. Oh, it worked. It worked. It worked. Look, it's running my hacking script now. Yes. We're gonna be rich. What? None of ports open to use a Nuke X virus. Well, yeah, no shit, Sherlock. It's not supposed to. Why is it using it on like a server that it can't work it on? What? It's interesting how the server scan lines didn't actually run either. Huh. The Garcian script had the JSON server with thing hostname with 3 threads and args. Not enough ports open to use Nuke X virus. Well, I mean, of course. Executed. Of course, there's not enough ports open. There should be 0. What? Why is it trying to run on something with no ports? Oh. I mean, it's. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. It's. This is easier to think about. Greater than 0. So if it's greater than 0, we can't do anything. And we have the thing to run it with. And we have the program to run it with, which is, brute.ssh. Then we do the thing. So, I mean, that should just work exactly as I expected, no? Running it again doesn't add more because there's no more to add. Again, why is Nuke trying to run? Why is it trying to run on a server that has no ports required? I mean, that simply can't run on. Number of ports required to nuke. Where do I populate this? Okay, get server num ports required. The number of ports required to successfully run. Yeah, it's just a number. That should be like 0. This is the exact same as this. Why is it trying to even run nuke on them? What? I don't understand. Like if it says 1, it should be ignored. So if it's 1 and it's greater than 0, and I have the program, why do I even need to check this actually? Wait, why do I even need to check this? Why do I even need to check this actually? This doesn't make any sense. Or the file doesn't exist. Then we just exit out. We just say, hey, I can't do anything. Yeah. So why is it trying to run against the server though? I don't understand. Because the server should have, and the number of ports required, it should be like, yeah, you can't run it. So why is it trying to run it against that server? I don't understand. Ooh, I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't know why it's not working, and I'm too lazy to figure it out. But hey, at least it worked. It worked on some level to actually like get me stuff. Because now look, now it's gonna slowly make me money. Slowly but surely, I'm gonna make money, and it's gonna give me hacking experience as long as I'm just online. It's actually kind of 5-head. Now the problem is that I need to run it manually to get new servers, right? But realistically, thread should be a positive integer was 0. Okay, well wait, so maybe if can executed, sorry. Okay, if oh god, sorry, my keyboard keys are falling apart because this is just weird. If threads equal 0, return. Yeah, just return. I don't know, just like stop. And then stop print. No available space left on server with host name. Server.name to run script. And then we do, you know, the name of the script itself. So script name. What's the different? Yeah, I guess aborting. Yeah. Well, exiting. Well, it's stopping. Yeah, stopping. Okay, so there we go. So that solves that. This is still weird because it's still this sometimes to do. This somehow still runs on servers that have more than 0 ports required to nuke, which we can't do anything about. Need to stop that because it floods the logs. The day I bought eggplant, carrots, tomatoes, cabbage, wind squash, potatoes, green peppers, shiitake, mushrooms, and cucumbers. What the hell are you talking about, Chad? What is going on? What? What is going on, Chad? Now, we're not done yet. There's one more portion to the script that's very important. Okay? Not the problems, not the things that I need to fix. Right? Not the things I need to fix involving nuke. Oh wait, actually now it's saved. Okay, well now it stopped nuking things. So now it stopped nuking things. Why did it stop nuking things all of a sudden? Okay? Why did it stop nuking things? What? I don't understand. Why did it stop nuking things all of a sudden? Why is it now working correctly? What? What is going on? Oh, and look, because this object, it doesn't appear. Well, But how do you print out like an object? You can do like JSON.stringify, right? Yeah, let's do JSON.stringify. We'll just do this. And then start print. Wait, why did the music stop? Oh no, it's still going. Good. It was just... what are you... Wake up, chat! What are you doing? Wake up! Everyone, wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Chat, please wake up, please. I'm begging you, please wake up. You need to make money. If we have no money, you made $100? Holy shit! No shit. All right. Yeah, go have fun. Go have fun. Okay. If you buy something bad, I'll know. Okay. I'll know. I'll leave this here, and I'll see if you buy anything bad. Okay. I'm letting you buy things for yourself. If you buy something bad, with functionality. Why did you eat the earth? Xylonol, Wintex Long Summer. You can buy wait, that's a really good microphone. Fun fact, my microphone is only $200, which I mean, so it's still a lot of money. I saved up quite a bit to like be able to get this mic, but apparently like a really good microphone costs $2,000. Then I'm like, that's fucking nuts. Where are you going now? What are you doing? If you climb the wall, I'm gonna go crazy. Oh, thank God you stopped. We're right there. Jesus Christ, thank you. Okay, let's see what she spends her money on. Let's see what chat will spend there. My screen is just so much shit on my screen. I can't see anything, dude. Yes, there's so much shit on my screen. Yes, so much shit on my screen. We'll just do this. This isn't really how you would do the logging, but I'm lazy. We'll just stringify this shit. Yeah. It's not actually the best way to do it because like technically it like you really want better output for this stuff, but oh well. But now that I know about, okay, so there's a couple things that we need to do. To do stat polar, this should be a separate script. This should be a separate program that runs long term that is started by this. To do, I saw let the hacking script communicate back the earnings and whatnot and other things like server security levels in real time using the built-in networking built using the in-game network, because this is entirely an idea stolen from a Reddit post that showed it was possible, because that's pretty cool. Yeah. And then, I don't know, maybe make this, I don't know, type in Twitch chat so I can check on the results or something. Or even like, I don't know, update the site so you can all track my progress in real time. Yeah, you know what, that'd be kind of sick. Maybe I should do this so it goes back to my site so you guys can like track my progress in like real time. So I can tell you guys that I'm actually playing this game. That would be kind of sick. This I'm basically going to run this 24/7 as we rob this is a bank slowly. I still don't know how we're robbing the bank. But what are we doing now? So we do this and this prints. So we need to get all these objects to look good when we write it out to our logs, okay? All these objects have to look good when we write it out for our logs. Every single object. Okay, good. That should be enough. Now we needed to make the stat polar. So how many other two do's are there? Okay, well I think that's fixed. Whatever I did fixed it. Return name of server. Okay, so that's also good. There was also one other to do. Okay, so this is also good. I mean, this technically, I don't really care about the results of this technically. So, to update this. Okay, so now we need the stat polar. Okay. So now we need to start a program called stat polar. So I don't know. Initialize stat polar. So how do I even describe what is a polar? So you know how like people run polls for things, right? Or they run surveys and they ask you every now and then of like, hey, please subscribe to my channel or something, right? It's basically that concept. They're basically going like, hey, please subscribe to my channel, and they'll say it like every like half an hour or something. Is that a lot actually? If I said constantly, hey, please follow me on like Twitch or like please subscribe to the channel every half an hour, I would be annoyed. You would be annoyed, but I would be annoyed for you. Did you spend money? Chat, did you spend money? What'd you spend it on? Whoa, Onlink X? What does that even do? Wait, what did I make? Program allows you to directly connect to other servers through the scan analyze command. Okay, well that's... Wait! What do you mean automatically connect? What? What does that mean? Wait. Scan analyze. Huh? Help. What? Well, okay. Chat move. Chat move. Go over here. Get back to your calcium milk. Run autolink. Autolink lets you automatically connect to another service when using scan analyze. When using scan analyze, click on the service host name. Oh, lets you click on it now. Cool. That's fucking useless. Well, that's useless. Why have the... That's so useless because I've made a thing that automatically connects to servers for me. I made autolink by myself. Well, what's the point of autolink? It's useless. Alright, well, that's okay. What's the next thing I can make? I can make brute SSH. That opens SSH ports. What? Oh, I see. Yes. Okay, I get it. So that's how you open ports to open things. Okay, gotcha. Okay. So for now, we'll just do the stat polar. So, yeah, polar. So every half an hour, if I kept on saying like, hey, please follow me on Twitch or whatever, subscribe to my YouTube channels. A, you would hate me, but B, that's polling. Okay. In a similar way, you can make a polar inside code by running it every couple of seconds. And what it'll do is that every couple of seconds, it'll like update itself and check like, okay, has anything changed? And like if something has changed, then like do something in response to it, right? Theoretically, this is the worst way to do things. What you actually want is a subscription system. Not like a subscription as like, you know, like you pay $5 a like month. Basically, you want events, okay? So think about it like this. Think about it like this. What you really want is something that does this, right? You want something that's like connected to your stats, okay? And it like tries to see, okay, while it's connected to your stats, every time you level up one of your stats, it sends an event. It sends an event that lets something else in your system know that it happened, okay? So, and then you know, your script can then take this event and then be like, oh, let me rerun this shit again, and then hack into more systems that you now have the skill to. But the problem is that this game doesn't let you subscribe to things. And there's no easy way to, as far as I can tell, besides making your own polling system. So you can't just subscribe to things. It's impossible, as far as I can tell. Which sucks. Because I tried to find out how to subscribe to things for like a while. It really sounds like I'm shilling. What? What do you mean it has no effect? Yes, it does have an effect. Yes, it does have. It's promise void. There we go. Because you can't just subscribe to things. There is no sub-pub system. There's no event system, basically. Because of that, you have to poll every couple seconds to make it work. So we need to make a new script now. So now we do nano-stat-poller.js. Okay, now what am I gonna do with this? What am I gonna do? So now we need the stat poller. Okay, so we initialize. Okay, so first off, stat poller script name is stat poller.js. Okay, so now we need to be able to start the script when we run all of this on our home server, and then as it's running, this thing will every 5 seconds basically do what it needs to do. So we do while true. You wouldn't want to do this, but return. Possible infinite loop awaits something. Yes, I know it's a possible infinite loop. That's why I put this here as like a safety. To do this is a safety measure so the game doesn't crash. Remove once it has a sleep or something. So we're gonna pull the game every, like, let's say 10. Realistically, robbing a bank takes like 10 minutes. So let's pull the game every, like, you know, how long does it take to go to school? Maybe let's stop robbing banks. Okay, let's stop robbing banks. How long does it take to? Wait, I stopped robbing banks. Why? Shit, I think I went to. How long does it take to go to school? Wait, what? Carmichael. 75 hacking. Okay, let's go to school. Say computer science. Wait, networks course. Gain hacking experience. $960 a second. $960 a second. This thing must be amazing. Yo, look at it go though. Chat, look at it go though. Wait. So it costs wait. It costs $960 a second, right? How much money am I making? See, this is why I need something to collate all the amount of money that I'm making. Because I don't know how much money I'm like making. I don't know. What? Executing on food stuff in 2 minutes. What do you mean? Security level weakened. Weakened 2, and then weakened 2. It keeps weakening by some amount. Return 3, return 50 million. Okay? I don't get it. SpongeBob, I don't get it. Sigma Cosmetics. Okay? And you, what do you do? So now return, so that's the maximum. That's the security level. Current security level is currently 9. It has to go down to 0 before it can even hack for money. What? Well, shit, but it takes 20 seconds to run. So none of these things are making me money. These things are, it's gonna take me like hours to make money doing this. Fuck. Cool, because what I was thinking was, if I make enough money, right, from doing the hacking, I can go to school forever. I can be permanently inside school, which would be kind of like, you know, like, I mean, that'd be kind of good. Harakiri sushi. I don't know why it's called harakiri sushi. Wait, why is it not connected to noodles? That's weird. Why is it only run 3 times? What's the total RAM of this? Wait, why is it not connected to noodles? What? Huh? Message received from unknown said, soon we'll be contacted by a hacking group known as Cybersect. They can help you with the search. You should join them. Go into favor and exploit them for the augmentations, but do not trust them. They are not what they seem. No one is. Okay? I'll deal with that later. Assume I'm getting recruited into some weird thing. How come this doesn't? Oh, because RAM is this. Wait, but there's no way, right? Mem. SCP hack.js to noodles. Wait, hack.js already existed? Okay, so connect noodles. PS. Mem hack.js. 4.4 gigabytes of RAM. to run. It costs 4.4 gigabytes of RAM to run my hacking script. All because it has to do this. It just has to get. That's so stupid. Get server does that. Get server costs 2 gigabytes of RAM. I can just do. I'm doing it. I'm doing it a different way. We can copy a text. What are you doing? Why did you touch the glass? Why are you here? Why did you touch the glass? Stop it, chat. Okay, so there's a problem with my hacking script, okay? The problem is that just getting the name of the server takes 2 gigabytes of RAM, which is basically the same as the entire script itself. The entire script itself can run in just over 2 gigabytes of RAM, roughly 2.6, 2.7. But just getting the name of the server costs as much as just running everything else. I need to save the name of the server in a way that is cheap and easy to do. And I know exactly how. If I remember how, let's see, Bitburner. Because you can, I'm gonna write the name of the server itself into a little file, and it's gonna import that file and use it. The problem is I don't know how you import files. Aha! There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's it. So ns.run, Yo, what? I mean, can you import? I'm assuming you can import. Because that'd be weird if you can't import. But at the same time, import is like a weird thing to like do. Okay. So now we gotta go back. Okay, we're gonna kill every single one. I mean, I guess I might as well just do it then. Like, it doesn't matter. Because it doesn't matter if the file, if the script file exists on the server. You might as well bring like a new script server onto the server anyways. So this shouldn't even bother checking if it's there. Because what if I update the file, right? If I update the file, it would never update. So we'll do that. And then we'll write a text file. We'll write a file containing the name of the server. Okay, so this is it. So this is my design. Okay, wait. So now, how do I do this? I don't know. Cache server name. Yeah, I don't know if I need to do this, but just in case, because I don't really know how this is going to look like. I'd rather do it here. So what I'm doing is now doing type arguments, so I know like the type of this, what it's going to like do. I'm gonna see if I can do ns.mv. How do you actually like run? Create. How do you make a file? Hostname, move a file on top. How do you actually make a file though? fs. I mean, I could just write fs.write, but I don't know if that actually works here. Because I don't know how much of this is like a real game environment or how much of this is a real computer. It's weird. Bitburner. Writing files from scripts. Bad, good. Good, bad. Write a net script function, right? Oh, it does. Perfect. Huge. Perfect. Okay. So this is what I can do. So then I can write the name of the server. So I'm going to use this to write the thing itself. Then the data mode W or append. That's crazy. And the data is going to be the actual like server itself. So basically, you know that thing that I had that was like, hey, like it takes just as much energy to get the server name as it does to run the script? Well, I already have the server name when I'm trying to figure out which servers to put the files on, right? So why even bother getting the server name again on the hacking script itself? I already have the name. There's a cheap way to do it that's basically free. You write it down into a file, and then you just read that file open, which should be cheap, like very cheap. Because now if I do ns.open or ns.read, ns.open.read, ns. Okay, well, eat shit. ns dot. I do ns dot. Okay, something broke. But now it's any. Why is it any? Oh, because of that. My god. Sorry, there's like a weird error there. ns dot open. So now I can get the file. I can read the file, and I can open that file and just get the server name from inside for 0 cost, because it's a 0 cost action. It doesn't cost the in-game RAM that these servers have. This is all because of the way the game's mechanics work. It feels a bit exploity, but fuck you. Server stats.json. We'll write into a JSON file, okay? So we'll write this into a JSON file. Then we copy it over into the server itself. So we do SCP, we do server stats.json into server.name, and then we do internal dot home server name, because I don't think write lets you specify where to write it to. And then mode should just be W, but I'm gonna specify it just in case, because I don't know what it is by default. But this should work, and then when it does this, we then do that. So you know what I mean? So now we have the stats of the server there, and the server itself can reference its own stats by reading the actual file that it has, instead of having. Did you just pull that from your asshole? What did you just drink? Chat, what the hell did you just drink? You pulled something from your asshole. But what was that? What was that? I won't judge you. I'll only look at you funny, okay? But now that we do this, it turns that 2 GB cost as part of the script's cost that we saw here, because this just getting the server name costs 2 GB into 0, because reading a file is free. It really does work kind of the same way IRL. A lot of systems, the rule of thumb is that reading stuff from files locally is almost all the time faster and cheaper than anything else. The only time it's not true is when you get into very complicated systems where your disk I/O is your main bottleneck. Disk I/O being your input/output, and disk being your hard drive. So when reading and writing files from your hard drive becomes your main bottleneck, aka the main thing that slows down everything, because it's simply doing too much, your hard drive is being overtaxed, whatever, right? Then it doesn't work. Until that happens, reading and writing a local file is the best thing that you can do to save on cost. Number 10. Programming mistakes made that costed companies billions of dollars. Hi, I'm Chills, and this is the 10 worst mistakes in programming. Number 1. Not using a local file. A streamer by the name of Stick started making a script for his game, Bitburner. Then, he decided to get the server name, but the main mistake was that when he got the server name, it was using 2 GB of RAM, so he lost every. Number 11. Knight's Capital. Yes. Number 15. The Thero 2 event. Was this the row 2? I don't know. It was in like an ethics class somewhere. But yeah, basically that's what we're trying to do. Thanks, Chills. Appreciate that. Writing server stats, the server with host name. To file with name. Okay, well, we'll just do it like this. Const server stats file name equals server stats.json. This is not, because the file isn't going to have like a dynamic name. Because if it has a dynamic name, it's going to be impossible. It's going to be impossible to actually know what to get it. Wait, do I even need this? Can you just pass arguments? Can't you just pass an argument into the script? But you can pass arguments, fuck. Wait, when running a script, you can use flags and arguments, which the script's logic can access. Why did it open github.com? That's kinda crazy. Parse command line flags. Well then, how about arguments? Wow, I'm surprised that this even opens up github.com. Jesus Christ. Arguments passed into the script. This costs 0. I don't need to do any of this. This is a lot easier to just do it like this. Number 11. Arguments inside the script. Wait, so okay, wait, what? Huh? What do you mean? Okay, no, we'll use flags. Flags are way easier. Yeah, flags are way easier because like you just do like you just do like n like server name and something. I don't know. Well, I guess like sn, like dash s. What did you buy? What did you buy? God, why did chat keep buying something? It's weird. Yeah, okay. Sorry, I was just thinking about how to. Okay, so now, so we'll use flags. So the thing that I'm reading says that's how you want to do it. It's a lot easier. So we'll do like this instead. So then, instead of this, we'll do ns.flags. So const data equals ns.flags, and we'll do this, that, this. Again, sorry for the noise. If you do hear anything, there's a movement. So we do this, and this should give me an object. This should give me an object. But I don't know why the first thing is like a thing. What is this? What? So this should give me an object where the key is the thing and the thing is the data itself. Okay, so instead I want to do... Huh? Oh, I see what you mean. Okay, so we'll do like, server name. And then the default value is null. It's just null. Okay, it's just null. Okay, and then if data... I mean, then if I just assume that's there, right? If I just assume that's there, and if the server name... If server name equals null, we just kill the thing, and then I need to send like an error message back to be like, hey, this like didn't. I need to send an error message back that says that this thing didn't work. Unless how does exec work? Wait, so if script was successfully started, then this function returns. Otherwise, it just returns 0. Is a unique identifier. Well, why is it return 0? Because okay, so I don't get this. When you start a script, if it's successfully started, it will return the PID, the process ID. Okay. This is a unique ID that identifies the process that's currently running on, which can range from 0 and up. But if it fails, it returns 0. If it's the only script running on the server, it's always going to return 0. Whether it fails or succeeds, I will never fucking know. How will I ever know? Okay, we need to write an error log connect. We need to write an error log aggregator using the networking system. Now we're getting... Every programmer knows this desire. We keep wanting to make things more complicated. More complicated. So how do you do networking? Bitburner networking. No, I want like ports. I don't know, like ports. How do you get ports? Wherefore art thou, ports? Ports. Remote API, ports. Bitburner, ports. NetScript miscellaneous. Okay, whatever. That's not what I wanted. What is like an actual... NetScript ports are endpoints that can be used to communicate between scripts. A port is implemented as a sort of serialized queue where you can only write and read one element at a time. Then when you read it, the element that is read is removed from the port. There are only 20 ports, don't get the number from 1 to 0. Weird, so 1 to 0. So I need to manually name like serving these ports myself. Oh, that's dog water. That's actual dog water. What? Wait. So I need to. Where Bitburner include other scripts. Yeah. Okay, and then you do What? Wait, it can read? What do you mean it can read? What? NSR read. Name the file to be read. Holy shit. Huh, what the fuck? Wait, it's actually nuts. Wait, so when you load this file, what would you do? I mean, I mean, technically you just read it, but it's not like you need the thing. Trying to figure out import the functions. Yeah, can you just import functions? How about import include other JS file? Okay, but here's the official documentation, but as for to take the function you want to copy, define as an export. This is your new script. So on the top right. Oh, so you can import it. So you can indeed import it as long as it's in the same directory. Oh, okay. So it's okay. So it's exactly what I expected. It's exactly what I expected. Wait, so okay. Basically, what I need to do is have a consistent way to do networking. Fuck, this is gonna be impossible, actually. This is gonna be so weird. Okay, well, we need to make a new one. Nano. Whatever. Okay, now we need to define ns.ports. Get port handle. Port number 20. There's only 20 ports, so we use ns port. I can read the port, I can write the port, I can clear the port, try write port. What does this even mean? Try ns.write port. Port to write to must be positive integer, okay? The reason why I'm doing it like this is so that I have, stuff like this. Like I can be like, logging, yeah. Message received from unknown sender. We've been watching you. Your skills are very impressive, but you're wasting your talents. You join us, you put your skills good use and change the world for the better. You join us, we can unlock your full potential. But first, you must pass our test. Find and install the backdoor on a server. Huh? Wait, dude. Dog! I'm writing! Dog! Don't bother me! I'm writing fucking sockets! Leave me alone! What do you mean? Huh? New stream title. My brain hurts. This is torture. This is torture. Why do they keep disturbing me when I'm doing complicated things? In my past life, I used to be a programmer, and I used to write some very complicated stuff. While I was in the middle of optimizing some logistics program, so that we could actually make more money and actually run the thing a lot more efficiently, so there wasn't as much downtime within a facility. And a facility, mind you, with a lot of machinery running, somebody kept on bothering me and talking to me about mundane things, okay? And I kept telling them listen, I really want to talk to you, but listen, but I need a moment to think about this stuff, okay? Because if I do anything wrong, the machines shut down and I have to travel out there for 3 hours by bus to get out to the facility to debug what happened, because because every single facility had its own air-gapped network where all these systems ran on for security purposes. That's what this reminds me of. This reminds me of that. When somebody keeps bothering me, it's please stop. I don't have the machines to test. I just have a simulated sort of a version of these machines that I can't test with inside the office. Leave me alone. Everyone leave me alone. All you NPCs, leave me alone. Please, for the love of God, please. Leave me alone, NPCs, please. I'm begging you. I'm gonna get some coffee. BRB. I have the beans. I got the bean. The bean juice. The bean juice. The beans. I got the coffee beans. I have the coffee bean juice. I have the beans. Beans. I have the bean juice now. Yeah, I have the bean juice. The coffee beans are gonna help. Okay, so basically, what was I doing? Oh yeah, I gotta do this stuff. I have to do. Okay, well, I need a list of things I need to do. Okay, nano to do the txt. Hack into CyberSec, because they keep bothering me. Finish networking stuff. Finish hack script additions to not be bad. Okay? Okay, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this. Ports equal, and then logging equal 20. Kitchen sink equals 0. There we go. Let me do. Well, say this is like an enum. An enum of numbers. Okay, from 1 to 20, you can't specify a type that has like a range of numbers, but that's fine. Basically, I'm gonna use this. This is why I have one single script to handle all this stuff here. Okay, I don't need like a async main, whatever the fuck. Main is useless. Main is very, very useless. Instead, you can just do it like this. Main is only useful if you want it to do something within the context of the game itself, right? Which we'll have. But really what I want is something like this. I want to instead say, you know, write to log port. Right? This way, what'll happen is you pass it and the NS thing, right? So you pass it the actual game's like thing that lets you do all the stuff to like interact with the game. And then it'll use it to then do write to port, and then it'll do ports dot you know, logging or something. Yeah. I muted just in time. Sorry, I had to sneeze. Sorry, I'm so sorry. But this is basically what I want to do, right? Wait, the data popped out the queue if it was full, or no if it was not full. What, full? What do you mean? What do you mean the full? What do you mean it can be? What do you mean it can be full? The port can be full. Okay, try write. I see why they have try write port then. If the port is full, the data will not be written. Otherwise, the data will be written normally. Port to attempt to write to must be a positive integer. So if it can't write to it, do I just say like, oh, like it's like gone? I don't know. That seems weird to me. But then I have to have something that's like constantly reading from it, like every single second then, which actually might just lag the whole game. Oh god, I didn't think about this. Wait. I should be like a millisecond operation then, but then it's like, what is, okay, how do you get like a, what is, how long is 60 ticks per second? 60 FPS in milliseconds. 33 is 16.67 ms. Const sleep time equals 16.67. The exact amount, sleep time ms, the exact amount of milliseconds that has to pass for a consistent 60 FPS poll tick rate. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay, now we're getting fucking weird. Okay, so we'll this is not how you would. I mean, this is how you would do this, but you would do this in like hardware. You would need a separate hardware component to make this like a guaranteed thing. That's how most consoles work actually. So the context, most consoles, there's like a timer on, you know, the GPU, on like other aspects of it that you can actually pull and be like, okay, run this thing at like a very specific time. What are you doing? Copywriting's finished. Accumulated, realized. You made $400? Yo. Good job, chat. You okay, you get some steak. You want some steak? Here. Oh, you want some fried sirloin, eh? You want some sirloin? Eat some sirloin. Okay, I need to eventually be able to afford, chat, a nice gift of an iPhone. Of an iPhone 14. I can buy you a GTX 1660. Wait, a GTX 4090 for 5,000? That's actually pretty cheap. That's a pretty cheap price, actually. Maybe I'll do... Oh, you can't even see it like that, sorry. Here, maybe I'll buy you like a microphone or something. An ordinary microphone. Alright, here, buy a microphone. Here's your gift. Okay, so now you're happy. Okay, good. What can you do now? Can you work on this? Can you clean the screen? You don't have enough level. How do I get more level? Okay, go back to learning, I guess. How do you get levels? Clearly not by working. EXP times 1. Okay, sleep. All right, I'll see you in a bit, I guess. We was sleeping too. Oh, does sleeping recover everything else? I guess it recovers stamina. Okay, so there's no need. Go back to learning. Go. You're going back to school. Have fun. So basically, yeah, that's what it does. There's hardware stuff. Yeah. What was I saying? Yeah. Now we need to set up like a polar. So I also need a network polar. Fuck. Okay, so now we need network polar.js. Wait, didn't I have like a stat polar? Well, I have a stat polar, but not a network polar. Okay. Well then. Okay, so now we do this, do that. So now we try to write the port thing. And if it didn't work, just assume it's lost and write it to the current logs so we can at least figure it out when inspecting the logs of this script itself. There we go. So we'll just do like ns.print. Attempted to write to log port, but port was full. And message was lost. Message we attempted to write is as follows. What are you doing? Why are you asleep? Hurry up. Wake up. Was as follows. We'll do I don't know, what is your message? Message. Param string message. Was as follows. Message. So if it's just gone, then it's gone. Otherwise, it just works and it works, okay? And then but at least this way we have a specific port that we can like listen to, right? So it all makes sense. And then we can see export function read from log ports, right? So we do ns. God, I'm such a fucking genius. This game is a very good game. It's actually one of the few programming games that I found that actually does the programming aspect perfectly. Because the programming aspect in a lot of games is almost too gamey, right? Like you have to do like very stupid things, like you have to type .hack and you hack into the system, which this game does. But then it also says, well, actually you can interact with the entire game through coding, even the UI. So go ahead, do your thing. You can do anything that you want in this game using just regular JavaScript code. Because of that, the game can be played entirely from this screen, which is insane to me to think about. It's insane to me that like this and this is the main way you play the game. And that these things are running because I made a script that automatically runs them, and that in about I want to say like a couple hours, I should have like $3 billion of in-game money at some point. And the crazy part is, this is an open source game that is not at all a crypto mining. This is not a crypto mining. This is a hacking game that is not a crypto mining. It is an absolute masterpiece. We're almost done playing this, and then we'll move on to Amori, the fun game, because I'm sure my wife wanted to see it and she's almost home. So, but we're just gonna get this done, okay? We're just gonna now write the networking aspect, so I can write messages to like different log ports to like talk to other systems and like stuff, and then I can have like a poller, right? So like a thing that like starts like a polling system. Maybe. I mean, I can do this. Well, I mean, I might as well make a new script for it then. I don't know. Nano FPS.js. Okay. That's good. So we'll do export const FPS equal this. FPS in milliseconds. Or, yeah, FPS in milliseconds. Yes. Wait, no, just do FPS. No, FPS in milliseconds is like useful. No, it'll be like, FPS 60 is going to be 16.67, right? And apparently 30 is like FPS. It's like, this is like what, 33.36 or something? I don't know, something like that. No, 33.34 or something. I don't know. Well, I'll double check this. To do. It isn't exactly this. And this would be the numbers that you have. And then it's like, okay, so because it doesn't make sense to be inside here. Like it's the exact amount. yeah, the exact, and you do like, this is an enum of numbers, right? Enum containing the exact milliseconds that has to pass for a particular tick rate expressed in human terms. Yeah, that's good. That's really good. Yeah, good. Okay, good. So, that's gone. This stays here. That's good. Read from log ports. We then do ns.read ports. And then ports.logging. We get some message. I'm sorry. Port data. Const data. What is the actual data? What is the shape of the data? It's a fucking string. Why does it just say port data? What do you mean port data? It's just a string. What? Why they make the type? They aliased the type? Why would you alias the type? What's wrong with you? Oh my god. Okay, well, so it's just a string. It's just a string. It's really just a string. Port data. String or number? String or number? How about just string, okay? A message from the log port. The next available message from the log port. Yeah, so it does that, and this one returns void. Yeah, so that way that thing returns nothing. So this just returns that. So just do like that. Okay, that's good. Okay, we'll do that. All right, that's fine. So then the poller now needs to run at a specific tick rate every single time. So now I need to do include import from fps.js. Wait. Oh shit. There's no typing. FPS in millis. There's no typing at all. Wait, there's no typing at all. Oh shit. So how am I supposed to know what to, oh god. Wait, what? How am I supposed to know what the actual thing is? Oh no. Oh god. Okay, well, I guess you don't even get typing if you do this. Which, I mean, it makes sense, but then now you need to figure out what it actually is going to be like. Well, just hope for the best that this thing, that I don't make any mistakes, okay? And we'll import from network.js. JS is suffering, yes. Indeed, it's suffering. The thing about JS that's funny is that everyone hates the language, right? It is the worst language for any particular task, right? For any specific task. The only thing that it's really good at is that it's really good at working on websites where most of your job is just making things look pretty, right? And in that case, it works very well because JS is very easy to make things new or old or just try things and see if it looks good, right? The problem is that it's so bad that they made an entirely new language that is just on top of JavaScript called TypeScript. That's how bad it is. And this is the pain, is because you have no clue what you're doing. Everything can be anything, and because everything can be anything, it all breaks your head. Anyways, welcome, Meganate, welcome to my personal hell. You actually missed my breakdown. I want to say 20 minutes ago, I was breaking down, but we have gotten okay. So for context, the game now plays itself. I'm not even kidding you. The game, I run this script, and the game plays itself, which is amazing. So now, if I just run this, if I run allmight.js, boom, it creates a bunch of, it just starts hacking servers for me. It's amazing. Although I do need to reset everything. I do need to clear every script on every server, actually. Yeah, we began playing our JS at work to TSP because of that. Yep, that's exactly it. Yep. It's unfortunate, but that's just how it goes. That's how it has to be. Because honestly, it's the more that you work with just JavaScript without any sort of typing, the harder it is, the more spread out things get. For a small personal website, it's fine, right? But the moment that you go beyond, I want to say 5-10 files, having to remember everything in your head is very hard. And mind you, this is with this text editor is actually this is just VS Code. So it actually does do type hinting, right? But even with the type hinting, it can't do something as simple as tell me where am I getting, like, what is this thing that I'm bringing into this? It has no clue. Anyways, welcome. You're gonna witness me break down as I try to figure out how to do networking inside this game. Oh god. I mean, even then, I still don't like it. The error message can be super misleading. Yes, and cryptic. Yep. The scoping looks weird, so on and so forth. Yep. Yeah, it's. There's a lot of consequences of the way that like JavaScript runs. It's all because it like runs in like a VM. Because it runs in this like virtual machine, basically, that like runs all of its. It it runs in its own runtime, and it basically does like it. Like I think, sorry, not on a VM, a runtime. It's very hard to understand when things break, why things break, and like what is going on when it does break. Where are you going? Why are you coming towards me? What are you doing? Get away from me! Stop it! Don't! You've done this 7 times tonight. 7 times. But yeah, that's the way that I feel about it too. It's even with everything sort of like being kind of better, it still isn't good. And then on top of that, TypeScript, it adds just another layer to the entire process in your build process, because you can't just run it on browsers. There's no support for it, right? So it's like basically the modern web. I've best heard it described like a lasagna. Okay, a lasagna with, let's say, 3 layers, 2 layers, great, really good. A lasagna. But right now, the lasagna that is like, web development or just any development using JavaScript or like TypeScript is like 20 layers deep. It's just pasta layers with no sauce, no meat, no ricotta cheese. It's just pasta shells. Just layers of pasta sheets laid up on top of one another with no flavor. So you bite down into mush. And I'm like, yep, that's exactly it. Yeah, learning. Learning, she says. Get down here. Stop it. Alright, chat, you behave. Talk to me. History is objective. No, it's not. Well, it is, but it's not. You know what I mean? Like, if somebody stabs the Roman emperor, they're the one who writes history. What was I doing? Oh, yes, I need to make a polar. Okay, so now, while true. This is the scariest statement I've ever seen. Dude, this is a safety guard. Remove this after. We're not gonna program the entire night, mind you. We're actually gonna play Omori later. This was on my mind, and I needed to do this because this game is fantastic. I also need to hack into Cybersec because they keep bothering me about hacking them. They want me to do some backdoor thing. What was the backdoor thing? CSEC test message. Well, can I just read that? How do I just read it? Oh wait, I just click on it. So they want me to get some backdoor to join their company. Find and install the backdoor on your server. Okay, that's gonna be annoying. Yeah, exactly. It's just a very sketchy translation. There's it's strange how like the translations tend to always like break. Well, although to be fair, the fact that it's translated at all is at least like pretty good. Like, I'm surprised that this program is at all translated, and that it's not a crypto miner. As far as I can tell, it's not a crypto miner. Somehow, my computer is still running, and my graphics card has... How much? Is my graphics card running fine? I don't know. How do you open Task Manager? Is it bad? I don't know. Performance. Uh-oh. Yeah, no, it's fine. I mean, somehow it's at 45%. Oh, I know why it's at 45%, because I'm streaming. It's... I forget that I'm streaming sometimes. Like, I like do things, I'm like, hey, what's up? Like, this feels like I'm like in like a, I don't know, like an online chat room. And like, you just come by and check it out. But no, I'm actually showing you everything. It makes sense why it's using 45%. But I assume that the game is not using as much. If I open up this thing, and go all the way to the right. Yeah, it's using 1%, 0.1. It isn't even mining a single coin. Dude, this is amazing. For all I know, VTube Studio is like mining coins. For all I know. We'll never know. What am I doing again? Oh yeah. What am I doing again? Oh yeah, I'm doing networking. Yeah. So we do this and sleep. Well, do the thing and then sleep for... What's the argument again? Oh shit, what is it? Sleep? What? JS sleep. What's the sleep thing again? Oh, I need to do, wait, no, it's not a timer. JS timer. No, it's not a timer. Was it JS? What the fuck? The thing that runs interval. There we go. Interval. There we go. Uh-oh. Bring this over here. Yeah, bring it over here. Yeah, so I need to do an interval. There we go. Set interval. Yes, because this is all JavaScript. Okay, so just set. So actually, I don't even need this. Actually, really. Begin polls. So, I don't know. Set interval. And then the code to run. And then how often it runs. FPS in milliseconds dot FPS 60. So every 16.67 milliseconds. This may actually crash my computer. Wait, is timeout in seconds or in milliseconds? What is this? The first actually happens after delay milliseconds. Code. What? Function. Code delay. Delay in milliseconds. Okay. So in milliseconds. Yes, set interval. There we go. So we do this. Well, what am I gonna do though? What was I gonna do? Oh yes, I need to do. Well, I mean, I also need handles. Log polar handle equals, and then I need to do something on exit. At exit. Add callback function when the script dies. Yes, because if you don't clean this up, it's gonna. Oh god. Clear interval. Log polar handle. I mean, this is awful, but I mean, yeah, this is fine. What is going on? Possible infinite loop. Oh, what do you mean? Where's the infinite loop? There's no infinite loop. There's no infinite loop. Don't lie to me. Don't scare me. Okay, so now I need to read from log port. Const next message. I mean, message equal. This is either null. This is null, right? Like it could be null. What did I do in here? Read port data. If the queue is empty, wait. It's a serialized queue. If the queue is empty, then the string null port data will be returned. The string null port. Why does it return a string? Just give me null. You don't have to say null. What? Why would you do this to me? What? Okay, so wait. So if it's empty, then they do that. Okay, this sucks. Const empty port message equals. Oh god. JS added again. Huh? I mean, to be fair, this is specifically just for this game. Specifically just for the game. So I mentioned this before, but the genius of this game is that it actually makes programming like an actual mechanic. It is probably one of the best programming games I've ever seen. It's really, really good at what it does, and this to me is like the gold standard of a programming game. Because there are the gamey things that it does, which is everything contained with an NS, and then there's the fact that you can manipulate everything in this game by just whatever code you write. So technically, even the ports, it's just a part of the game. It's not real network ports. It's just a part of the game, which is fucking nuts to me that they made like a fake networking system just for the game. It is a very complex game. I actually like it a lot, but it does seem a bit, overkill. Where are you going? Chat, God, please stay still. I don't know where she's going. Why do you want to be there? There's no sun over there. Fine, you want sun? I think she wants sunlight. You want sunlight? Yeah, you want sunlight? I'll give you sunlight. I'll give you sunlight here. You want some sunlight in a corner here? Wait, I can make her a room. I can make her a room. Where? I can make her a room. How large is she? Let's see. She is. Where is the thing that tells me how large this image is? It's under her. 550 by... Okay, so 600 by 600. That's her size. So we'll do a room that's 800 by 800. Okay? Not too big here. Okay? Not too big of a room. The real estate is expensive. Alright? Real estate is expensive. What? Okay, what's a good wall of a color? Eggshell white. Wait. Eggshell white. Hex. 0F. Okay, well, all right. Eggshell white. F0EAD6. Yeah, that's good. This is your room. Okay, well, just close the shop. Don't spend like money. The wall. So this is just the entire wall. Here, because that's the wall. It needs texture. It needs texture as if it's actually a thing though. Distort noise. Yeah. So what? That's the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oilify. Yes, oilify. What does it even look like? What's oilify? What does it mean? What? I don't see a difference. What does it mean by like oilify? What? Artistic. Cubism. Yeah, but that looks awful actually. Because it has to look like an actual thing. Don't think it does anything to a solid color. Ooh, you're right. Yeah, probably not. Yeah. Water pixels? But I want to add like texture to it. It's weird. Like I want to add like bumpiness to it. How do I add like bumpiness to it? What map? What? A little planet. What? What does it mean? What? I would like bumpiness. Decor. Fuzzy border. Fog. Whoa. Add a layer of fog. Okay, now no, that just looks like someone pissed on the walls. Okay, that's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. Maybe it takes the color. Actually, maybe it takes the color. Because if I do like this, okay, no, it definitely looks like piss on. It looks like piss on the walls. Where it has to look no stains. It has to look good. Cubism. Predator. What does the predator see? Complete darkness because they can't see anything. Duplicate layer, do piss effect. Oh, you're right. You're actually a genius. Holy shit. You're actually a genius. All right, so now, okay. All right, everyone piss on the walls, right? Okay, chat. All right, let's just piss. Let everyone piss on the walls. What if we max turbulence? Oh, that's nice. That's good. Good call on pissing on the walls. Good call. Very good call. Look, she's so happy that she's crawling up the wall. Well, now I can't click my buttons. Can you? Oh god. Okay, everything's. Oh god, everything's. Get down from there. Stop it. Okay, now I need a window. Okay, so we'll merge it down. Huge call. That was a big brain move. Crawling up the piss wall. She's crawling up the piss wall. But that was a huge brain move. To call out the piss wall. Your piss wall tech is actually... Your piss wall tech is immaculate. Absolutely immaculate. Okay, now we need a window. How do you draw shapes in this? What's like a shape tool? Wait, is there no way to draw shapes? Alright, I'll make my own shapes. We'll do the window over here. That's a good window. That's a good window. Why did I imagine that in the tune of Scatman's wound? Tune of crawling up the piss wall. Oh god. Oh god. It's so cursed. It actually is cursed. So that's the border of the wall. That is the border of the window. Then this is the outside, like so. Well, actually, now I need 4 equidistant squares. I don't know how to do that, so I'll just draw the lines again. Why am I doing this? You know what? This is what programming does to people. Yeah? If any of you are partners of a programmer, check in on them from time to time. They may be suffering like I am. I'm trying to make you a wall. What are you doing? I'm trying to make you a window. Okay, get off the wall. Okay, now we do this. Okay, now we need to cut out the background of this wall area. So in the back, it's going to be the outside. Oh, I have an outside picture. I have probably the best outside picture ever. Stream images. Brand? Might be brand. Website call out. Twitch logo? No. Sites? No. Oh, I can't show this actually. It's on a different folder, but I know exactly where. Well, no, it is there. No, it is there. So I can show it. Wait, so where is it? Ice cream truck. Jabeta, just the face. Uh-oh, stinky. Todd Howard crop. When I flex, I feel my best. Sea Dog VA. The threat. The bench. The person. The child. The kid. Steve. Steve! Oh god, Steve. Okay, this Spodeman background. Hey. Me love dog. Just okay, where is it? Homie. Hero, where is it? There's a specific image that I need. What in God's name did I save? Don't even look at that. Don't even look at that. LOL. Why do I have Arby's? Where there's a specific image somewhere. I know it's here somewhere. I know it's here. There's an easier way of doing this. There's a much easier way of like doing this. Much easier way. Oh god. There we go. Now I can see everything. Okay, well, assets? No. Brand images? No. Sites? No. Twitch brand assets? Mukbang. Oh yeah. Remember the ravioli chat? That was a good time. I got really sick after, actually. I got really sick. Good times. Almost witnessed me dying. Good times. Bob Ross. South Park. My banana. Okay, where is it? Where is the image I'm thinking of? God, I swear I had this image somewhere. It's such a good picture of the outside world. Where is it? Hang on. Maybe it's here. Maybe it's over here, actually. We'll check here. Well, it probably is over here, actually. So I go over here. I go to... What is this? Source repos. What? Huh? Dev. Assets. No. This. The public. Assets. Images? No. Where is it then? What? Oh, maybe it's in here, actually. I have another folder. Scenes. Tools. Shit TTS. What is this? What? What is this?
Hello.
Oh!
I crawl up the piss wall and scream at the world.
Yeah, that's good. That's really good. Holy shit. Has technology gone too far? Says chat. I say no. Balls.
Has technology gone too far? Says Chad. I say no.
It failed. It failed. Oh god. 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 Oh look. She's dancing. She's dancing. She actually really liked that. She really liked that. Okay. She likes to dance when the guy says a. And then like a tis a Okay, that was bad. Look, she's dancing to it. She's dancing to it. Why doesn't she dance to this music? Why do you choose to dance to the TTS and not to everything else? What's wrong with you? Where is it? What am I looking for? Where is it? Okay, maybe I had to use the tree. I may have to use the sunset tree. Because the exact image I'm trying to find, it's not there. So we'll use my copyright. Oh, we'll use the pigeons. I'm a genius. We'll use pigeons. I love pigeons. Wait. We'll use pigeons. Here. Stream. Images. Pigeons. Convert. What did you do? Whoa, that's a massive pigeon. That's a huge pigeon. That is a massive pigeon. This pigeon is massive. Outside her window, she sees a flock of like pigeons hanging out, okay? A flock of pigeons. So this is the ground. This is the ground on which the world moves, okay? Just pigeons, okay? Then above is the sky. Yes. Yes. And then we have the sky. Okay, so this is the ground, then the sky. The This is the skew. Okay, now what's a good sky color? That's a good sky color, right? That's a good sky color. Okay. Oh no. Actually, it's fine. Whatever. We'll draw some clouds. Woo! We'll draw some clouds here. So we'll do some clouds now. So now, do some clouds over here. We go like this. Wow, so nice outside. It's so peaceful. And then some like clouds look like animals. So there's like a this is like a cat that's like angry cloud. It's like an angry cat. It's like preparation for vermilion. Yeah, exactly. This is my design. I need to practice my art skills. This is all in preparation of it. All in preparation. Okay, just circle that entire thing. Okay. And then we fill it. Nice. Perfect. Okay, now we fix this line over here. Good. I am an artist. This way, she now has a home that she can crawl. I need a gamer chair. I need a picture of a gamer chair. Wait. I have the exact... This is where I get all my royalty-free images. Gamer chair. No, but can I have it? It has to be empty. It has to be empty. Why are there so many people sitting in these chairs? Where's the empty chairs? I need an empty chair. Empty. Oh wait, office chair. There we go. There we go. Now it's empty. There we go. That's a good office chair. Wait, but that's be facing the camera though. So that's be facing us. It has to be facing us. Wait, no. She already has a chair. Sorry, she already has a chair. Maybe she needs like a bed. Yeah, she needs like a bed. Nah, I'm too lazy. Whatever. This is good enough. We'll save this as here. Stream images. The pet piss wall. The pet piss wall. The pet piss wall. That's good. Yeah. Then we'll do this. Okay, so now the pet has a piss wall. That is not okay. That's not the image that I want to pull up, but it's too late. Wait, but I need to save that for Omori. Okay, just main pet piss wall. That's not because I was trying to find like an image thing element that I already had that I could reuse. Don't question what you just saw. There's nothing to see. There's nothing to see. How am I gonna do this? She's over here, but she's not a part of the screen itself. Oh, I didn't think about this. She's not a part of the screen itself. Like she's a part of the screen. She's not a part of the thing. Oh, this isn't gonna work actually. Wait, so I did all of that for like nothing. I have a plan. I have an idea. We simply open the image and we move it behind her at all times. This is how we do it. Oh my god. Okay, how do we hide all? No! No! I didn't click her. I didn't click that. I didn't click that. So I want to put her behind, right? But she's just on my desktop. And if I capture her as like a game, wait, maybe I can capture her as like a game. You're actually right. Maybe, okay, let's see if I can. No, I can't. Wait, I can. Maybe. I don't know. Because I'm capturing my entire screen like right now. No, see, because if I capture her as just a game, even if I move her, she doesn't move around. That's the pain point. She doesn't move around. So she has to be on my screen. Okay, so wait. Yeah, but I can add a new source. So I can add a new source. So the problem is that like when you capture her, you would just capture the space like you just capture her. Like you don't capture her as well as in relation to the screen. It's not like a full screen overlay, basically. Like the way it works is that her size is only here. So it's like when she moves around on her own or when I drag her, it won't actually look like I'm dragging her. And even if I make the source full screen, it just makes her like large. Like it's not like an overlay style, it's just her. Yeah. That's why it sucks. But it's fine. We have a solution. I just need to figure out how to open this photo without accidentally also not opening everything else. We just have to do this correctly so that I don't so that people don't think I'm weird, right? So like this, zoom to fit. That's actually amazing. How do I hide the like thing now? How do I hide the like thing? How do I? No, OneDrive. I don't even use this. No, leave me alone. Hey, look, it's my Cyberpunk screenshots. Okay, well that's one way to find my side. I've been trying to find these Cyberpunk screenshots for so long, actually. Okay, let's do it like this here. Welcome to your piss wall. 100%. No. Oh shoot. Rotate. No. Uh-oh. There we go. So zoom to fit. I can't see anything on my screen. I can't see anything on my screen. Okay, you go over here. God damn it. I can't see anything on my screen. Like this hurts. This actually hurts my soul. This is awful. This is genuinely awful. It'll be gone. You're right. You're right. You're actually right. That's amazing. Wait, okay, wait. Windows, how to have photo always on top. Windows, how to have a photo, how to have a picture. How to have a picture always on top. I want to set some program, make a window with the picture always on top, click through and transmit it. It's probably learn the material provided. No, we're not learning. It is easier for work. Easier for work. Yeah, how to keep a window, how to make a picture and picture always, windows always stay on top. You want to use sticky enable for is an image viewer with always on there, but let me with the program. Try Earth in View. Huh? Earth in View? What is Earth in View? What's that? One of the most popular image editors. What? It's free and for non-commercial use. Commercial use requires a thing. No, what is this? Reddit Earth in View alternative. Earth in View alternatives, okay. Nomax. Nomax is floss for image viewing. It's a free open source image viewer. You can use it for viewing all sorts of images. Okay, well, alright. Alright, sure, portable. Y'all download that. Yeah, I don't care if it's sketchy. Alright, Earth in View. That's a name you haven't heard in like years. Yeah, right? The last time I heard, when I first heard of it as like a kid, I thought it was for like, I don't know. Because like the name was so similar to like a Bitburner program. It was also like Earthran or like infra something, infra burner or like something. Okay, so we'll try this. If I get a virus, I just want you all to know that I love you all. Okay, if I get a virus, just know that I enjoyed streaming for you while it lasted. But it is also a bit like, you know, it's like if I get a virus, it's like perfect. It like fits the theme of today's stream, which is like we're in the cyberspace doing some weird stuff. Please choose your preferred language like that. Thank you. Okay. The image lounge. I don't know how this works. I don't know what this means. All right, let's open something. I don't know. Go over here. Go over here. Images. This. Okay. Full screen shows the initial view. No zooming. No. Resize current image. No. What? How do I just show the image? Paste image. Tools. Mosaic. Wallpaper. Wallpaper? What? Wallpaper. What? Panels. Panels? Panels. What? Toolbars. Uh-oh. 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 How do you get that back? Okay. How do you get it back? Okay. So panels. Player. No, stop. What is this? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nope, no player. Overview. Image notes? Image notes. Notes? Why do I have image notes? What? What is this? No, stop. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Wait. Oh god. Wait, you always thought it's image icon is a devil's but it's roadkill? It's roadkill? There's really? Wait, there's no way. Yeah, because I thought the same. Like I thought it was like a weird like or even like a cartoon character, similar to like it's like Sesame Street. Really? Frameless. Yo! It works. Okay, good. And always on top. How do I do it so it's always on top? Oh, panels? No. Settings. I don't know what's going on. Where are we? What's happening? What is this? What's going on? No, how do I do always on top? I guess it already is always on. No, it's not always on top. This is useless. What's the point? Wait, why is it bleeding through? What is this? What's going on? What? Huh? Okay. Always on top. Show extra options related to tabs. No, wait. How do you bring this always on top? Display. Rate mouse wheel behavior. Show navigation. Show thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, back to Google. Wait, so what? No max always on top. Frameless. Missing always on top ability for frameless. What? Using third-party shell extensions. What do you mean? Windows, how to make anything always on top. This is overkill. This is overkill. Power Toys always on top utility. Wait, what? Power Toys toggle windows to be always on top. No shit. Wait, real shit. All right, let's get this. All right, cool. Yeah, I'll get this. All right, okay, cool. Let me download this. Let me download this. Let me download that. Let me download this. Yeah, let me download all of these. Oh boy, I love downloading random things. Okay, chat. If I get a virus, right? Just know that I appreciate all of you. We are actually. This is not your usual scheduled programming. We're just doing some crazy things at the moment. They try to make this whole meme work. I love this. How is the stream turned into a Windows destruction stream? Yeah, exactly. Hi, welcome. I'm Joel. Today we're going to do some Windows destruction. Yeah, I wish I was maybe half as brave as a Joel. I saw the Windows destruction stream where they did like a Bonsai Buddy, and I was like, oh my god, like Bonsai Buddy is like really like sinister. It's like very sinister, very scary actually, very scary. Options, okay, yeah, just yeah, install. Always install. If I had to restart my computer, it'd be so sad because I wouldn't do like she basically has no like room. She has no room. And you know what's funny too is like Windows destruction streams, they happen inside VMs. I'm just doing this in my usual like thing. I'm just doing it. I'm just doing it. I'm just doing it. I'm going raw. Okay, so Windows Control T. No, that's the wrong. Wait, but that worked. No, I turned it off. I turned it off. I turned it off when I just had it. It just worked. No man. It just worked and I turned it off. God damn it. Okay, so now Windows Control T. Yes! Oh, it worked. Oh wait, but now she's not thing. Okay, so now you have to be. So now you're okay. Well, that's a problem. How can I make you on top now? How what? Yeah, she needs to be even more on top. I don't understand. How do you make her even more on top? Oh. Aha! Wait. It kind of works. It kind of works. I have to move her last. So I have to move her last. Sorry, I'm just tossing you around for a bit here. You have to be moved last. So you go over here. The problem is that blue square is just everywhere. I don't know why. How do I stop the blue? Oh, show. Oh! Oh, that's amazing. She has a room. Chat, she has a room. So it should just be last. So the image first and then her. Yeah. This is amazing. This is it. Now we're cooking. Why did I do all this? You're right. What am I doing? Yeah, I'm doing a network polar. Oh god. So what's funny is that when I was programming, this was me. Like very often, I would get this very distracted, and I would start to do things. Thankfully, I was never let go. Yeah, man, I can't see the code. Let's put this. Yeah, exactly. In 5 seconds, I can't see anything. Let's just get rid of all of this. Can you imagine? I'm like, yeah, okay. I mean, it's nice and all, but like, I can't see anything. So bye. This VPET simulator needs like a room option, so you can put her inside a room. Wake up, study, hurry up. You need more experience to clean windows. But at like work, I would get distracted constantly, and stuff like this would always happen. Not like this, but like we would do some funny things on computers just to like, I don't know, just like pass the like time. I never got in trouble for it, thankfully. But I imagine that like nowadays, if I do it, I probably would be fired. Not that it was very long ago. I just somehow never got fired. Somehow I was never fired, even though I spent most of my time doing nothing. I need to read the report now. So wait, maybe I should do like a custom UI. Yo, I should do a custom UI. Yeah. Wait, how do you write UI though? Get game info. What? Get window size. No. Draw. How do you draw a UI? The UI dot. How do you draw a UI? Dot. Okay. What options do I have for messing around with the system? Wait. Like, could I draw anything on screen? Because I've seen people draw a custom UI in this game, and I want to know how. Yeah, just maybe not just programmer things. I have seen other programmers, my coworkers, and they can like laser focus on it for like hours, right? And here I am, every like 30 minutes, I go up to get like coffee or like water or something. Like I have to do something. I need to go to the doctor. I need to be like, hey, look, doc, I don't know if I have ADHD, but it feels like it. Where is the thing? Somebody made a thing that let you do things. Right? Like you do things. You draw things. How do you draw things in this game? It's not on the UI. So if it was on the UI, I could do it. What is themes and styles? Set styles? What's this? Set the current styles. What is iStyles? What is iStyles? What? iStyles? What? Const foo equal... Okay, and then whatever. Type iStyles. iStyle settings. What is this? Okay, what is this? Window. Color? Okay, I don't know what this is. What is an iStyle? iStyle. Bitburner. UI. Aha! How to create custom UI elements. Is there a way to switch to pre 1.7 UI? No. Including HTML in the game? Bitburner uses React and Material UI? Oh god. To add lines to the terminal, if you want to look at it, to automatically enter commands to the terminal, only ways of looking at the terminal. Oh god. Wait, injecting HTML. I don't want to deal with that. Heck no. Okay, forget that. Forget the UI stuff. We'll do it easier. We'll just print the message out. So I have a centralized place to look at the logs. So print the message. Bam. Every 16.67 seconds, it'll look at that thing and it'll be like, okay, wait, unless it's a thing. If message equal empty port message, just short circuit, just go, just run. Okay, so that's good. So that's done. That's done. So now I can use this. So the whole point of this was so I could write one error message. So I could write one error message. Oh god. Oh god. I need to copy these files onto the thing. That's funny. That's good. So this runs on my home network. This runs on my home system. This runs on other systems. Write to log ports. Server name not provided to hack.js script running on server with host name. I don't know. Well, I don't have the host name. To hack.js script. Stopping. Yeah, stopping. And we just return. Okay, cool. Nice. That's good. Yes. Great. Absolutely perfect. Yes, totally great. Yes. That's all I wanted this for. That's all I wanted this for. That's amazing. That was useless. And then this is gonna be, I don't know, like a string. It's gonna be a string. It's not a script argument. It's just a string. All right, cool. Well, that was a lot of work for nothing, actually. Now that I think about it, why did I do that? Huh. Well, now that I've done it, I might as well use it, right? So now I need to copy this over there as well. I can't see my code. I actually do want to get like rid of her because she's blocking all of my code. I can't see anything. Okay, so network library name is network.js, so I can copy it over. There we go. The network polar name, polar script name is network polar.js. Oh, and then I also need the FPS library name, which is also fps.js. So I need to copy these two over, and I need to start this on this thing. And then these initialize stat polar. There we go. And then yeah, internal dot initialize stat polar. There we go. Just do that, and then oh god, why am I doing this? What is wrong with me? I could be playing games. I could be having fun right now. What am I doing with my life? Network script polar. Network library. There we go. So same thing. And then FPS library. There we go. Yes. So what do you do on Twitch? Well, you know, I program in a game about programming, and I make fake money, and I use the fake. I haven't been doing money. I haven't been doing a job. I need to go to school. Oh my god, I could have been going to school the entire time. I have no experience. I'm useless. God. When I compare my hacker level with all of my friends' hacking level, mine's gonna be so small. God damn it. Everyone's gonna make fun of me. Okay, so now I do that. Now I copy it over. I mean, this is probably breaking the game because it doesn't know that I'm using this function, which is kind of funny. So doing this doesn't cost, because like realistically this should cost RAM, right? But it doesn't. Wait, see? Because down here, it tells me how much RAM the game, like my script is going to cost. But me doing it like this causes it not to know how much RAM it's going to cost me. Realistically, this script should be costing me like, I want to say like more than 8 gigabytes of RAM, which my current system doesn't have. But because I'm exploiting the game, I'm basically cheating. I'm cheating. I love this game. I'm cheating. I'm cheating in this game. It's so good. It's such a good game that you can cheat the game and break the game using the programming. Wow. Imagine buying more expensive servers when you can just defer function execution so that it hides it from the actual runtime of the game. Absolute genius. Wow. So wait, so that does that. So now it copies these scripts over and then it runs it. So now it runs script studded. So I mean, yeah, that's basically it. And wait, so I don't even need FPS on it, actually. FPS doesn't matter. So the FPS is the only one that I don't need to copy over. This just needs to stay in the home server. Because what I need is to now do this. So I initialize the stat polar. So now I do ns dot... Oops. ns. So pass in the net server, whatever, thingy-mabobby. Like, it's basically the namespace of everything that it has it. And run... on the current server. So on my current server, which is home. So I run network polar, internal.network polar script name. Just one instance of this. Internal. Okay. So just one instance of this running is enough. So actually, I don't even. I mean, I wouldn't do this IRL, but because this game's gonna evolve. And actually, no. I invoke Yagni. You are not gonna need it. Oops, it got quiet, sorry. You ain't gonna need it. I invoke Yagni. I put it there. Okay, good. So this goes here. Okay, so this is now polling at 60 FPS constantly. You don't have to get the thing. Alright. Hack the side because they keep bothering me. Finish script additions. Not be bad. Done. Kill all scripts. Kill all running scripts. There's nothing. Oh god, something broke. The game broke. What happened? Wait, I can. Oh, I can make more programs now. Yo. Okay, brute SSH is good because now I can hack into more servers. Oh boy, it's so exciting. Now I can hack into more servers. Oh shit, I'm so happy actually. Oh my god. Yo. Wait, it closed everything though. No. Okay, whatever. Just run All Might. Yeah. Wait. What's wrong? How come it still didn't do it? Connect noodles. PS. LS. memhack.js. Why is there still get server on there? What? Huh? Wait. nanohack.js. Did I not get rid of get server? No. 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 Don't tell me I lost all of my progress. Don't tell me. No. 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 What happened? Why did the game break? I don't understand. Why did the game break? I made all of that. It was so fucking good. It lost all of my code. Yep. Lost all of my code. Well, that's unfortunate. Lost my FPS. Lost my additions. Lost it all. The only thing I kept was this. I don't know why I kept this. Lost everything else. Yep. That's unfortunate. Yeah. Yeah. I love that. I love when a game crashes and it loses everything. I love that. I love losing everything. Boy, do I love it. Look, I can't let this go. We're gonna do it. Wait. It got some things back. It got stat polar back and network polar. Nano stat polar. No, it definitely lost everything. Fuck. Yes. Nano network.js. Okay, we'll do it again. We'll do it again. God damn it. I can't believe it disappeared. I can't believe it all disappeared. I hate this. I hate it. Export function. Read from log ports. Export function. Write to log port. I'm gonna make sure that these files are never lost ever again. I'm just gonna make a GitHub. I'm gonna make a Git repo for these. Because I'm so sad. Like, I'm genuinely so sad. Thankfully, I remember every bit of code, so it's fine. Export const FPS in milliseconds. This is a disgusting enum, but whatever. It's good. FPS 60 equals 16.67. No? Don't do that. God, I'm actually so sad. Oh, God. Oh, my heart. My heart. It actually hurts so much. Why? It's not even because of the coffee. It ain't because of the coffee at all. Oh. Logging equal 20. Kitchen sink. This is gonna be useful for later once I figure out like how. God damn it! I can't believe the entire thing crashed and lost everything. I'm actually so like I'm genuinely sad. I'm genuinely sad here. Return. Well, I need NS. Just very quickly. And param NS. This feels like when you're trying to Photoshop something really cool, and then like you forget to, and because you're like using things, you want to make like a whole project for it, and you think it's gonna be fast, so you keep on doing it, right? And then when you're just about to like finish, the entire thing breaks, and then you're like, no, and then like it crashes, and then you lose all your progress, and you have to Photoshop the entire thing again. I definitely didn't do that. That definitely didn't happen to me when I was trying to make the pumpkins on my waiting screen. That definitely didn't happen to me. Promise. It's everything hurts. Everything hurts so much. Everything hurts so much. Oh God. Oh God. The pain and suffering of losing. Oh God, the pain of losing progress. I hate it so much. See, it's funny because like there are a few things where you lose progress on IRL, right? It's why, like, losing progress is a very specific feeling that doesn't happen except for things that we create, right? For the most part, it's very hard to lose progress. Like, say, exercising, right? You can't lose progress while you're in the middle of it, unless you break your arm or something. I mean, I guess you can then. But for the most part, if you do it right, you will never lose progress. But for stuff like, say, you're making a clay pot, or you're working with some wood, you're doing woodworking, or you're programming something, you can lose progress through no fault of your own. The wood is bad. The clay was not clay enough. The boob is boobly inside the boob wind. I don't know. Like, shit can just happen, and then you like lose progress because of things outside of your control, and it hurts. It hurts. Try right. Oh my god. The ports dot logging. Thankfully, it saved the most complex part. So the most complex part is like good. So ns.print could not write message to logging port. So it did save the most complex part, which was this. Sorry, not the network porter, but this. It saved this, which I'm happy about. As long as it saves this, everything else is like easy to like do. Like, this is easy to fix. Because now I just do like set interval. So const handle equals set interval, and just do this. Oops. And then and you just import the thing. So import from fps.js. It's fps in milliseconds, and then FPS in milliseconds dot FPS 60. There we go. And then this is like, you know, do the thing. Oh, and I import the thing from the other thing from the network as well. From network.js import. Oh, God. Oh, God. Read from log ports. And you do this. You read from log ports. Const message equal thing. Oh, and then we need the message that, you know, if there's nothing in there. Because for some reason there can be a message that nothing's in there. Which I guess it might as well be here. So export const empty port message equal that. So this, get this, do that. If message equal empty port message, return. Otherwise ns.print message. Okay, there we go. So that now it's good again. So now it's good again. Now it's good again. So this is good. This is good. This is good. This now just needs to get this. I need the flags of the server. So how many? Do I need to define the flags? I don't get it. An array of strings. What? I don't get it. The SpongeBob. I don't get it. NetScript ports. No. NetScript flags. Wait, it's here. It's in this documentation. Scripts. Flags. Oh god, it opens GitHub. I forgot. Okay, so it's a multi-dimensional array because they hate me. Why would they do this? Who made this? Why would you make it multi... Huh? Gonna bit. You have no idea what these scripts are for. Oh yeah, maybe I should have said this is all for me to make money and gain experience in this game. But yes, good night and see you next time. Thanks again for showing up, and I'm sorry for putting you through this, because this is pure insanity. And if server name, I don't know, what's null? But yeah, this is all just to make money and like gain hacking experience. So it's kind of insane though. This honestly, this like game is kind of nuts if you think about it, and it's also just to do it automatically, so I never have to do it myself, basically. Okay, this is why I do the logging. Okay, so now I do the logging here. Wait. So it's unfortunate that the thing like broke and it didn't save anything. It's weird. Because usually it actually stays fine. Oh, one thing actually. You finished? Oh, did you finish it? Okay, did I go back to it afterwards? Yes. The VOD it just finished processing. I'm gonna release it. Actually, I'll release it now with with nothing. I'll release it. It's just on the like channel. I'll release it. It's on the channel. You'll see it. It has no information on it, but you'll see the name Basilisk and 2,000. Enjoy, and then I'll change the title and the thumbnail and stuff afterwards. But thank you for reminding me. All right, there you go. It's out now. It's out now. Yes, it's just it has no like name, but yeah, it's like there now. Enjoy. But yeah, that the second part is not as like long. It just finished the like final portion of it. So, but that first part, man, that game is still on my mind. So, that was a good game. Hopefully, you enjoyed finding all like seeing all the little secrets, because those secrets took so much of me to think about. Write to log ports. Server name not provided to hack.js script running on a server. Stopping. There we go. So we do this. There we go. So we do that, and then this does all server name stuff. So this does this. Okay. Before we do anything, let's save the progress so that this doesn't die again. Because I would be ashamed if it died. You finished creating brute SSH. Thank you. Now to make a deep scan. Wait, what? About do server profiler. That seems useful actually. LS. All Might. There we go. Come here, All Might. All Might, it's time to spawn you. Welcome, All Might. You've been spawned. Nice. Okay, so it should be good now. So now it gets network library name. With the JS. Okay, good. FPS.js stays here. Stat polar, network polar. Okay. Yeah, the story is like interesting. It's like very kind of confusing. I'm still not sure either. But even the second one, you'll see. But good night. Thanks for showing up. Appreciate it. And have a wonderful night. Because I imagine it's very late where you are right now. Like very, very late. Oh god. Okay. So I'm gonna restart the game, chat, just so it doesn't die. Okay? We're gonna restart the game. Let's see if anything happens. Please, for the love of God, please work. Please work. Please save everything that I've done. I will be so... sorry, I keep hitting the thing too. I'll be so sad if it lost everything. It's good. Okay, it saved everything, I think. So if I go into this, it's saved. Okay, thank God. Okay, we are good to go. Kill all scripts. Kill everything. Die. Everything dies. Oh no, chat. I think I know why it reloads. It has to reload because it can't kill everything. It has to reload because when it tries to kill everything, it's like broken. Oh god, what have I done? Oh no, what have I done? As soon as I try to kill every single script, it like dies. Okay, so wait. So now I need to pass the flag to this. How do I pass the flag? How do I pass the flag? I don't know. What's this? Bitburner flags. Huh. Run example. Oh, you pass it with 2 dashes. Okay, so you pass it with 2 dashes then. Okay. So you pass it with 2 dashes to pass the flag in. So wherever I run this, wherever I run the script name itself. So, or run options. What is run options? Thread or options. I didn't sure. Or a run options object. Thread defaults the thing. Additional arguments to pass into the new script that is being run. BRB. I am gonna call my wife, my beautiful wife. 1 second. BRB, enjoy studying. Okay, chat. I'm back. Sorry about that. I just called my beautiful wife. She's home and she's tired. She's just taking a nice break. And we're still trying to figure out this. Again, if you're joining in, you have no clue what's going on. I'm trying to make in-game money inside of this game. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm trying to make in-game money inside of this game. It is absurd. Wait. The third argument... What? If any arguments being passed into the new script, additional arguments to pass into the new script that's being run. What? How do you pass arguments? What does that mean? How do you pass arguments? Like, you just pass arguments in? Like, can I pass like threads? I mean, flags, I guess? I don't know. How do you pass, like, flags? What? Good. How do you pass flags into this? Wait, Bitburner, exec flags. Exec flags. Huh. Wait, but multiple arguments fails, and exec as a prototype of, and flags display a common list separated of a list of arguments on an array of strings. Going to the docs, you require to pass a string. As an array of strings, you just passing arguments, not just. How do we use and how do you pass a flag? Wait, so you can't do it? You can't do flags from like outside? Like you have to do okay. Well, Okay, well, okay, sorry, it just made sense. So basically what I want to do is pass in flags, but you can't do that. So actually, so now you gotta do like this. So actually, really what I just want to do is just this. Just pass the server name in, and then that's the first argument. Just assume the server name. So args. What is this? String number boolean. Okay, arguments passed into the script. It's just an array. Okay. Well, I'm assuming it's just there. So I'm assuming it's just server name. You can I think you can destructure it like this, and if it's not, then whatever. Or server name equal undefined. Then we do that. Otherwise, you use that. Okay, good. So now, if I run this script, it should just work, and hopefully nothing breaks. Oh my god, I think it worked. Fuck, it didn't do anything. I didn't get any money. Chat, I didn't get a single bit of money. Oh god. Why? Where's all my money? Copied file hacked, returning costs. Cannot calculate costs. RAM usage for hack.js. Cost is 0 RAM. What? Could not calculate cost? Was infinity? Why was it 0 RAM? What? Why is okay, wait, so connect noodles. What? Memhack.js. Could not calculate RAM usage for hack.js. What? Wait. Bitburner could not calculate RAM usage. What does that mean? Is that bad? I don't get it. I don't get it. Home. Hack. Nano hack.js. Why is it not able to calculate the cost? Syntax error. Shorthand property assignments are... I can't see. Are valid only when in the instruction... Oh, I see. Oh, gotcha. So you can't do that kind of... Okay, I thought that the structuring thing was allowed, but I guess not. Okay, now you go over here. Good. Get the setting. Okay, good. Const args equals ns.args. Syntax error. Shorthand property assignments. Okay, well, I know about shorthand property assignments. Well, I fixed it. Why is there still a syntax error? Where is it? Huh? Yeah. Const server name equal arg0. Beautify. I don't know. Yeah. Make it beautiful. Whatever. That should just work now. I don't know. So if I go connect to noodles, well, memhack.js, it's still broken. What is wrong with this script? I don't understand. Where is the problem? Where is the problem? Where is the problem? You're not telling me the problem. I hate you. I hate this so much. Run. I don't understand. Where's the problem? I fixed the problem. Why won't you let me... Oh my god! It's a keyword! Server name equal arguments 0. Arguments is... Wait, you have to await this? Oh, it is. Right? No, you don't have to. You don't have to. And it's arg0. Await? No, you don't have to. Come on. What's going on? Run hack.js. Binding arguments in script mode. What? What have I done? I broke something. Again. How do I always break this? I always break something. God damn it. Wait, so maybe don't do this. Binding arguments in script mode. What does it even mean? Bitburner. Binding arguments in script mode. Oh god. Oh god. Wait, what the? You've been supposed to save the script, right? It's definitely saving. Copy paste the script. Did you just root? Huh. Okay, I had to restart the game actually. Wait. Reload. I had to restart the game. That's a weird problem to have. I guess the game doesn't really like it if you do like certain things, and then it like breaks like it like. I'm assuming that the game doesn't have the ability to like reload things very very well. I'm assuming because it's weird how that was still running into an error. Where's the error? There's no error. I'm not binding any. I am binding nothing. You sick son of a gun. It's this. It's the import. What? Are valid only in destructuring patterns. That is a destructuring pattern. That is a destructuring pattern. But what do you mean? That the whole is not equal to or greater than the sum. That is a destructuring pattern. What? Why is that wrong? Huh? Why is that wrong? That shouldn't be wrong at all. Okay, well now that's wrong. Okay, well now all of this is wrong. Wait, sorry. Okay, so that's not wrong. That's not wrong. That's not wrong. That's wrong. Oh! Sorry. I didn't know that wasn't a function. I mean, there's still a problem though, is that the import doesn't work. So so how am I supposed to import things from other scripts inside of a script? Oh god, Bitburner import script. How do you import other scripts inside scripts? I don't understand. Oh god. You call the inside another function, but you have to use the function in the thing. You just use it as a thing, so the main file doesn't need to hold. But if you take the function out of the main, then the function, and the content, see what happens. So it's confused for what NS is in this thing. You just need main in order to use NS. I use input as cost RAM, not calling this function in this for cost. How does import scripts work? Okay, how does import scripts work? There's anything. You have anything in that script, we know how to use import scripts function. Import scripts is definitely not a function. Importing functions. There we go. Next week, import functions that are declared in other scripts. The script will incur. Oh, from script file name import from script. No, but this is for hacks. This is for NetScript 1.0. I need it for JS. Wait, those export keywords should not be used. What thing? It can however be used. You only want to break import certain functions. Ha? Wait, hang on. What the fuck is going on? Where? Read this with me. Read this and help me understand what is going on. I don't know why it's so shockingly yellow. I really don't understand why. What is this? You can't. What? You can't pull the thing out? The importing functions. The next one you import functions that are declared under scripts. So the script. This one called the RAM of all imported functions. That's who is doing this. Well, this doesn't work. Suppose you have a library script called testlibrary.script. That's one of these functions in that script. You can import them as. Okay, well that doesn't work. Work in browser compatibility. How to use import. Few browsers do not support that, and therefore the browser's dynamic import functionality. Well, I mean, this is every browser supports that. Every single browser. What? Every browser supports this. What? What's with the weird comments? That's not exactly what I wanted, but sure. Okay, where were we? Bitburner. NS2 import script. I don't understand. I'm going crazy. I'm actually going crazy. Oh god. Wait. I know a person who I can copy. I know a person that I can copy to learn their scripts. Elaine Bryden. I'm gonna copy you helplessly. How come you get to import it just fine, huh? Oh, wait. Is that actually it? Is that all it takes? No. How did you do it? How'd you do it? How did you do it? Wait. It's an error in my other script. Oh my god. Network.js. It's in this. There's an error here. Oh my god. There's an error here. Oh my god, there's an error inside this one. That's why. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where is it? One of these has an error and I don't know where. There's an error somewhere here and I don't know where. Where's the error? It's this. I'm so stupid. I hate my... Right there. God damn it, it's equal signs. That always catches me. God. So this actually does work. Okay, so it does import. Okay, sorry, chat. I need to figure it out. Okay, we're almost done this entire segment. Dear God, I didn't think playing this game would take so much effort. Jesus, I just want to play this. I just want to hack the server, man. I just want to hack the server. Let me hack the server, please. I just want to hack servers. I love hacking servers. I want to hack servers. Yes! So now, we check the memory usage of hack.js. It's a lot lower because I'm not calling get server. Now I can run it on noodles.js. And if I look at my scripts, if I look at my active scripts, there should be scripts on my home. There's no script on my home. There is no script on my home. Okay, that's a problem. Network polar died. Oh, because I didn't. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. I didn't. Oh God, I didn't. I know why. Nano network polar. I didn't do this. It's not in an infinite loop, so it'll just die. Because set interval is not the same. Like it doesn't. Because as soon as the script exits, it's like done. And so like you have to. So you can't do an interval. Well, you can do an interval, but you have to do a timeout technically. Technically, you would do a timeout and you just do it. Oh God, this is so bad. Wait. Okay, well this is weird. I mean, because like either way, if you do it like this, right? Like, technically it's set timeout. No, but this is weird. How do I do this? I would need some way to interrupt it, technically. But there's no, because there's no sleep, I don't think. Bitburner sleep. Wait, is there sleep? There's a sleep. There's a sleep. Oh my God, there's a sleep. There you go. There's sleep. FPS in milliseconds. .fps 60. So do the thing, and then you do this. Okay. Gotcha. There we go. Now we're making money. Now we're making money. Making money moves. Something moves. Yes. Making money moves. Where are you going? Why did you leave your room? What's wrong? What's wrong with you? Nano network. Stop. Why are you crawling? What? You're supposed to be in your room. What are you doing? Go back to your room. Go back. I made the room for you. Why don't you want to stay inside your room ever? Why do you keep crawling up the wall? Stop. Go over here. Stay in your room. God damn it, dude. It's so hard. God. Dude, this is pure chaos. Like actual pure chaos. What a weird programming stream. To be fair, programming on stream, I can see why it's so hard now. Very hard. Possible infinite loop awaits something. There's no infinite loop. Trust me, it's fine. It's fine. There's no infinite loop. Why is it not saving? Oh, it is. It just had like an error. Okay, so now if I run all my .js. Network polar died. Nano network polar .js. Why did it die? I'm so... What did I change? Why is it different all of a sudden? What? It wouldn't let me save because of a possible infinite loop? You're kidding me. You're kidding me that it didn't let me save because of a possible infinite loop. What? Oh, maybe it's because you have to await the sleep. Yeah, it is. Sorry. Await and asleep. There we go. My bad. Okay, so then you do whatever I just deleted. Then you do that. Okay. So while true. So okay, that makes sense because it is okay. That's why it was like, hey, you can't do that because the game's gonna break, and the whole thing's gonna freeze. It's stopping me from breaking my system. Okay, the game isn't wrong. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Not that I am wrong, but you know, I am wrong. Run all my .js. Uh-oh! Can I read properties of undefined? Reading read ports. What? Oh, oops. I need to pass in the thing. Yeah, okay. So nano network polar. I need to pass in NS. All of these need NS. Actually, even hack. Oh shit. Nano hack.js. Even this needs NS. Because to write to the log port, you need to pass in NS. So, and then, okay, and then LS, and then you go network. Yes, you have to pass it in as the first thing. Okay, so now, now we run it, and it should be fine. I don't know what happened. It died again. Sleeping for 0.6 seconds. 0.016 seconds. What? Oh, oops. Not return. Continue. There we go. God. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now it's gonna get messages randomly from other servers when they die, right? So instead of having to click through all of these, I can see all my messages inside here now. It's a very good first step, because now I can do this. So I can go inside here. You see these prints, so I can be like, I can be like, I can be like, write to log ports. I can be like determining determining max amount of money server. This is okay. Now this is where the genius comes in. Okay, with host name, server name can hold. Right? So you do this and you run All Might. Wait, you don't run All Might. You close the game. You have to close. This doesn't make sense, but it's all gonna make sense once I get into it. Okay, you have to close the game. You gotta start it again. Then you gotta go like this. You gotta do that. Then you gotta kill all the scripts, because killing all the scripts causes the entire game to reload, and I don't know why. See, so now nothing is lost. Okay, then you run allmy.js. Okay, now everything's there. Now go here. Now look. It should have said that at some point in the log. Maybe it said it once too quickly. Maybe once way too quickly, actually. Kill all. So it killed everything. Okay, good. So do something, and then ls hack.js. Although I will say, the whole sleeping thing. How do I stop the sleeping thing? How do I stop the sleeping? How do I stop it from telling me that it's sleeping? It's almost like annoying that it tells me that it's sleeping. Maybe ns enable logging. ns.enable logging. Log. Disable log. Sleep. Yeah, disable logging for sleep, so I can actually see things. Thank you. So you do that, then that's all I have, and that way it's like, I can see things, just the messages that I send, right? So if I'm correct, max amount of money. Okay, well that should be on top actually. Sorry, that should be on top. We go here, then we determine minimum security level of server with host name, with hsot name, with hsot name, hsot name, and then okay, now it's weakening server with host name. Right? This is the genius part. Growing server with hostname. Hacking server with hostname. Now this is good. This returns a number. What does it return? A promise that resolves to the amount of money stolen, which is 0 if the hack is unsuccessful. Yeah. Well, how do I get the amount of time it'll take? I guess you have to do extra stuff, which is too hard. So don't even bother. Run allmy.js. Now we see the genius of this thing. Bada bing, bada boom. What did I say? Look at that shit. Boom. Oh, it brings all the messages back. See that? Brings all the messages back. And it tells me exactly what each one is doing at any step. So now, I don't have to click through each one to know what it's doing. I could if I want to. Here, I can get a general overview of everything that's happening. God, that's so good. Now I just need to format a nice looking table. Oh god, this is gonna be pure chaos. This really hurts. That's good. There's one more thing that we have to make before we can call it. One more thing that we need to make before we call this a full success. We need a stat poller. So I have everything that I need now. So everything that I made is now perfectly in place for everything else, okay? So for instance, if I go to hack.js, actually no, maybe just like network poller actually. Now that I have everything that I need to make this work, what I can do is this, okay? I can do the exact same system. So I can do await ns.sleep, IPS in milliseconds dot FPS 60, right? And then it'll just keep on going over and over and over, okay? Then when I run the stat poller, I can do ns.getPlayer. So I'll get information about the player, which is me. Const player equals if, and I'll check the hacking level based on what it's for. Although maybe instead of 60 FPS, that seems kind of fucking nuts. Maybe every like 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds we'll check. Because how often do I level up in this game, right? Pretty damn slowly, yeah? So then if I am, and then a previous player, let last player stats equal null. And this can be either type, I think player, right? It's just player or null. There we go. So this is like the last player stat. So if there is like a last player stat, then it's there. Okay, well, I don't know why it doesn't do this. There we go. Okay, well, whatever, fine. So then if it's like, you know, if last player stats. Oh shit. Last player stats equal player. So if there is none, and then if there is a last player stats, else we do this. We compare it, okay? If last player stats continue. This is just for the first time. So the first time it runs, it does this. So it's like if it doesn't have it, then we just continue. There's no need to like check anything. But if there is a difference, we compare the two. If player dot stats dot skills, oh god, that number of people killed. What do you mean? Holy shit! Greater than last player stats dot skills dot hacking. Then we redo the All Might thing. We kill all the scripts that are running. Kill all. Terminate all scripts on the server. Fuck. Wait. Actually, how do I do this? Dot script kill. I guess now the problem is how do I kill every script to redo it? Although I guess it doesn't matter. There's no need to like kill the scripts. We're just trying to find new servers, right? So just just do this and then start run. allmight.js. And then, that'll just find new servers for us to do. Because as I grow in hacking level, I'll get new servers that I can access that may or may not require, like, nuke. Like, for instance, because I'm hacking level 5, if I ran this when I hit level 5, it'll automatically enter this, like, server, right? So now, running that, this should just run constantly. To do, use the namespace I made in the other file. But maybe separate it out first, because apparently the runtime is smart enough and actually figures out a fairly accurate RAM cost overall. Which is going to be fucking massive. Like, the RAM cost would be nuts. So if we do this, okay, then we do this. We do this, okay? Now we run ns run. Now we do internal dot stat poller script name. So now if we run all might, I now have no script running because it died. What? Stat poller.js should have ran. I don't know why it didn't. What happened to stat poller? What happened to stat poller? What? Nano stat poller.js. What happened to this? Huh? Wait, do I not have enough RAM on my current system? Is that why? Wake up! What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, wake up! What's wrong with you? Oh, you're so sad. Here, have some Coca-Cola. More Coca-Cola now. More snack. Good. Now you want to eat? Here. Now you eat a snack. Potato chips. Or pork jerky. Wow. Yes, good. Now you're happy. Okay. Now go back to school. Once you're level 10, you can clean the windows. Good job. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Okay, good. Run. Stat. Polar. I don't know why that doesn't run elsewhere. Oh god, stop. It's so annoying. Wait. ns.disable logging for sleep. How come this doesn't run as part of the other one? I don't understand. stat_polar.js. Stat_polar.js. ns.run stat polar script name, which is stat_polar.js. I understand. Stat_polar.js. Stat_polar.js. This should be able to run. Oh, because it's I forgot spawn. It needs to spawn it afterwards. Because the current script has like uses up all the RAM. Like this one script uses all the RAM on my server, so it can't run it all at the same time. You have to like run it afterwards so it doesn't like die, basically. So now if I run All Might, there we go. Now it didn't do anything. Well, it should eventually in a couple seconds. It's like 5 seconds or something. There we go. Got one. I don't get it. I don't get it. Running spawn. Spawn failed to run due to spawn exiting. Spawn failed to run due to script being killed. What? Oh shit, is it? Oh god, it might be it might be on a wait. It's not. What? Oh, you can only spawn one single script at a time. That's weird. That's weird. Wait, so what? So I need like a script spawner. This is so stupid. What? Huh? Okay, well, whatever. Script spawner. Oh my god. This is really dumb. Const script name equals ns.args0. Okay, well I have to do this then. Okay, so actually it's script spawner. Script spawner. Script name. Script spawner. NS. The problem is that this is all going to be very expensive on this system. And I need to like, it's going to be weird because this is how it's going to work. Huh. Okay, wait a minute. The JSON dot parse. There we go. This is parse. If it's a JavaScript into an object, yes. That's not what I want though. I mean, I guess I have to. This is the only way that this is really going to like work. It's gonna be so stupid, but this is the only way that this is really going to work. I needed to like recursively parse and unparse and serialize and deserialize an array so that it can keep spawning more and more. You've finished creating server profiler. Okay, good. Get me deep scan. Because I needed to be able to like go through and actually do this stuff. The other way is I just treat all the arguments as the just treat all the arguments as like this. Script names. So we do script names. Yeah, okay. So this makes more sense. We do like this instead. So script spawner. Can you please stay in your room, please? I'm begging you. Why are you crawling on the walls? What's wrong with you? What are you doing? Undefined, and then every single script that I want to run is now going to be in the arguments here, and I simply pass them along, basically. So internal, because the problem is that if you do what I tried to do, right, you can't run this script and then also run the other auxiliary scripts at the same time. There's just not enough memory in my system. Why did you climb up the wall? I made the room. Fine. You have the room. You want the room here? Fine. Enjoy your sky room. Enjoy. God. The problem is that you can't do that. So you have to do it this way. But you can't spawn them multiple times in a row because spawn kills it immediately. So you only spawn the first script spawn. So you have to spawn a script that then recursively spawns more scripts. You spawn this script, which then recursively spawns other scripts so that it can actually run. This is going to be a lightweight script that then spawns other scripts. It's all very stupid. This is all very painful, actually. This is the problem when you have a very small server. When you have a very small server. Realistically, I don't think you would ever do this IRL. Like, it would be very difficult to, like, even justify this kind of, like, thing to, like, do. Because it would be so complex that you would kind of go insane doing it. Genuinely insane. Okay, so then this is ns.run ns.arg0, right? And then ns.spawn. So you run the first script now, and then you spawn this script again, which I need to again make use of. Like, I need to bring these out so that, like, all the names are centralized somewhere. Undefined, and then how do you do it from just the first element? Oh fuck, wait, dot splice, because like pop is just at the end, but splice is like this. But splice gives you a new array containing what it was before. Const leftover scripts equals ns.args.splice 0 1. Removes element from array if necessary. What? Inserts new elements in their place, returning the deleted. No, just do this. Splice. This is from the very beginning, right? The zero base location to start remove elements. An array containing what? The elements that were deleted. So you get the things that were deleted. How do you splice? How do you slice from the start? How do you? Oh my god! How to get JS get rest of array starting from index? Okay, how about this? We just do thing. We'll slice it. We'll slice it starting from 0. So starting from 0, just copy a section of an array. Start at 0. No, that doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense at all. Because 0 would just return you everything, right? Yeah, exactly. So it should be 1, actually. NSArgs slice 0. Okay, so slice 1, just do this. Then you do whatever, NSArgs 0. So you just run spawn the first script now. God, this game is so fucking good, but it's so confusing to like play this game. Genuinely confusing. You just keep doing it until there's nothing left. And then if it's like, oh, and then if it's if ns.args.length equals 0, you just return. You don't have to do anything. So once it runs out of scripts, like once it runs out of servers to like do, it just stops. It just stops doing anything. And then it'll stop doing like a recursive spawning thing. Okay, cool. So die. You die. Now run allmy.js. It's gonna look very strange. So allmy.js now does a spawn. It spawns in 10 seconds, okay? So in 10 seconds, all the polar, so the polar starts as well as the stat polar. So now this started, stat polar started, yes? Disabled logging for sleep, but also script spawner died. So now it ran thing and spawn on home with one thread's network polar. So now, okay, well this should have worked. So now, cannot run script network polar home because there's not enough available RAM. God damn it, what do you mean it's not enough available RAM? How much RAM does that shit take? How much RAM is this thing taking? What? Mem network.js. Mem stat polar.js. Holy fuck, this thing costs a lot. Oh, Jesus Christ, this thing costs a lot. Jesus. What the? Yeah, that's a lot of RAM. Well, I see why it costs so much. Okay, so, I mean, stat polar is just really expensive to run. And then this thing, the spawner itself costs 4.6. So actually, it didn't do much at all. There's no way that it would have done anything. Just spawning and running alone costs so much. It's basically impossible. The most that I can do is just run. Like, if I run twice, I'm assuming it's cheaper. Yeah, see, it's a lot cheaper to just run. It's cheaper to just run. It's cheaper to just run. Okay, well, it's a lot cheaper, I guess. So, for a const script name in ns.args, do this, ns.run script name. There we go. Okay, and then whatever, just like kill this. It'll automatically die there. Okay, so it'll automatically die. That's a lot cheaper. That's a lot cheaper. So we do this, we kill this, then you run this again. And I'm pretty sure this should work now. Now it should have a lot more space. And look, holy shit, I get $282,000. $22,000. Oh shoot, for const of, sorry. It's of. I get 280. I get $1 every second. I am rich as fuck. In a minute I make $60. I get 200. Wait. In a minute I get so 60 times 1.371 times 60. Every hour I make $5,000. Every day I make $118,000 in this game. In-game days, I make $118,000. I am rich as fuck. Holy shit, I'm rich as fuck. Oh my god. Dude, that's actually insane-o. I'm so rich. Holy shit. Okay, there's one more thing. I need to do some logs here. Because, well... ns.print. Comparing dick sizes from previous me. ns.print. Dick size larger. Begin all might. There we go. Else, ns.print. Penis still small. Do nothing. Blame it on the cold weather. Sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to laugh. It's sorry. Wait. This is where I use I might as well use my other shit, right? Like I might as well use this thing. Yeah. Might as well use this. If I made it, I might as well use it. Might as well use it. Write to log port. There we go. So do write to log port. Uh-oh. Write to log port. Write to log port. Write to log port. NS. Because it's writing the ports is free. So it's like now I get centralized logging everywhere. Oh god, that's so good. Now, okay, just the only thing that I need is like this needs to get the current script name somehow. Like that has to somehow get the current script name, which I don't know how. That would be like, I don't know. To do, try to prepend every message with the current script name, if possible. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so that's good. Do that, to that, to that. Yeah, okay. Alright. So now that's gone. We run All Might again. This one script now plays the entire game for me. This is all like, this is a lot. It doesn't make any sense for you to be able to do this in this game. Why is she still up there? What are you doing? Stop being weird. Viewers want to see you. You make me money. The lights of the moon in front of the bed. What? What does that mean? What? But now look. Comparing dick sizes from previous me. Still small. Penis still small. Blame it on the cold weather. And then it tells me if it's weakening a server. Penis still small. Do nothing. And now it's weakening servers again. Look at this. Fuck. This is the best game ever. Honestly, I know like I basically just made no noises. Or I just made noises, right? But for a programming game, this is fucking nuts. An idle programming game that lets you program the game It's such a genius idea. I can't believe they've never done it before. But that's all for this session of Bitburner. Now I just leave this running in the background and make a lot of money. There's actually nothing left that I do. That's it. The game runs. And as I get better at hacking, when what's happening is I keep hacking into more servers. I get stronger and stronger and stronger. It automatically plays itself. I do nothing. Dick size larger, begin all might. Amazing. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. This is the best game ever, and I can't believe that it's free. This is a free programming game that allows you to program the game itself. It's so fucking good. It's one of the only programming games out there that actually understands why programming is so fun. Again, to a lot of people, programming is kind of like a headache. It's weird to see, it doesn't make any sense. But to me, it's a puzzle game. It is one of the best puzzle games in the entire world because your problem space is infinite. You can do anything. You can do anything, you can be anything, you can create anything that you put your mind to, you can make it real. The only thing you can't do is enhance your penis. So go to my website today and click on the joking section. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, that's all for Bitburner. This was a great game, but no more Bitburner for now.